This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Good morning, guys. Audio working? Hello, hello, audio working. Video not working, always something, right? Monday, we'll get it right. Shouldn't be too long. 3, 2, 1. We are live. Okay, good. Good morning, Skeletor. Okay, it's Saturday Eve, as Omnius likes to call Thursday, Friday Eve. We got gold at 40.50. It's come down from 4,200. Wow, look at the NQ. Somebody took their money out of the market. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Wow, a nice little sell-off. Sparky. Nice little sell-off overnight. 25,200, 24,736 right now. So look, once we blew through this, hold on. Once we blew through this little level of support that we were marking out, went through it like a hot knife through butter, didn't even pause. And now we got this, what we were talking about yesterday. Almost like the last line of defense right there. So far we've bounced off it. Let's take a look. Okay, another bearish day, trading under previous day's low, previous day's close. VWAP trading under Asia session lows and trading near the London lows. I gotta sneeze. Hold on a minute. I think I'm catching a cold. No sparks. So bearish, 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 bearish. Does that mean we can't go up? No, I mean we can, but I gotta think bearish, 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 bearish. And here we are on the daily. After that, the next real line in the sand is 24,132. But the significant thing, the significant event, we got below the 50. The 50-period moving average. We never got below it before. I mean, we got below it. Well, you know what? We haven't closed yet. Let's not assume anything. This could be just a fake and break. Fake everyone out. Let's see what happens if we close below it today. But right now, we're quite a bit below the 50-period moving average. I'd be surprised if we get all the way up to 25,200 again. That's 500 points. 247 points is 1%. That's the 2% move. Anyways, anything can happen, right? You know the markets. So let's get back onto the 1 minute. Let's just take a quick look at the 5 minute. Not only are we near the London session lows, we're also near the pre-market lows. Pre-market is 950 to about 650. I should mark that off. Do I have room on the chart here? Not really. We're below S1 right now. How far away is S2? Quite wide ranges, eh? I don't have the ATR. I'm going to put up the ATR on the daily. I'm curious to see what it was. If you remember, we were in the 200s for forever, for a long time. Oh, by the way, volume is at 800,000 already. So there was volume behind the move. And looks like we're up quite a bit actually on the ATR for quite a few days. $503. We've been over 400 now since 10/10, since October 10th. We shot up and we're staying higher. Okay, so that's interesting to know. So the volatility is staying high. The volume is up there with 800,000. Okay, let's keep that in mind. And let's just take a look now at ES and NQ. See if we see any significant difference. Nope, not really. They both made new session lows at 850. And they're both kind of taking out the 810 highs right now. Maybe NQ is a little weaker. Nothing much to write home to, though. To write home about. Okay. Let's get give me a second here. And finally, I got to set up one screen. I don't know if I can, but we will try. Window capture. Why is it not there? Both of them aren't there. There is no Chrome showing, really? So you have to be maximized for the window to be captured. Did I just learn something about broadcasting software? Markets are opening in about 7.5 minutes. Yeah, look at that. Okay. So let's bring it over to the other side. We got to find a more efficient way to do this.
On your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Seekers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this finance.
Okay, we'll figure it out. Hope it's working. Right now we got I guess, a kind of a base that formed at 24,660. Is that going to hold? You got this pre-market range over here, 24,960 to 24,660. Well, that's 300 points. That's a pretty wide pre-market range. Did we form a base at that level at 660? Again, taking a look at the 4 hour. Bring it in tighter. Oh, it doesn't show up on the 4 hour, which shows up on the daily. Right there. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days ago, I guess last Friday. We just popped up. 1, 2, 3. That's a new lower swing high that's going to form at the end of today, unless we take it out at 25,800. Very unlikely we're going to go up 1,000 points. Okay, let's get ready to trade. Bullinox. I think I'm going to start with earn to trade. Start a little bit with the earn to trade account and see what happens. I got to remember, yesterday I forgot. I got in way too early. Got in before the 928 imbalance report. We get this out of the way a little bit. Okay, I expect some action on the open. Right now we're kind of, I'm having a hard time saying short-term bullish. Again, just because we based over here, we wicked this low. It's possible it can be support, but lately NQ has been very weak and just blowing through support. Anyway, 670, 660, we'll see. Pre-market again, that low, 656. London lows. What to do, what to do. We just did wick the most recent swing low. But I think I am mostly, for the moment, thinking long right off the open. It's cold. What is he playing? A movie. David Kushner, Daylight. Official music video. Good morning, Skeletor. Good morning, good morning.
What?
How goes by you? What are you playing? Videos, David Kushner.
I'm bored.
What the hell is going on your site? All hell is broken loose.
Yeah, fuck it. I had to,
Oh, we're opening. We are open.
yeah. I had to
You
reset
tell me.
Ninja Trader again, so I was like, fuck it.
Mm,
Play some music.
sounds
Daughter was
good.
listening to it. I was like, fuck, everybody else wants to listen to it also.
Mm.
It's a good song. You didn't like it?
Don't listen to it. I can't listen to it. I'm gonna get a strike.
Yeah. I've been in trouble before.
I've been in trouble before too. I didn't like it.
Good news is it's in the front of the video, so I can just cut it out. Didn't think about that, huh?
You're really doing it to me, eh? 52.
Yep. Anyways, I was ready. Everything was good. And then there's like, nah, fuck you. I ain't working. What are you talking about? Why would I work? It's like, you could try to work, you know? All right. We got volume. I got you. I think. Say something.
I'm here. I'm here. Excuse me. Starting with that throat thing again.
Sounds like you.
It does.
Yeah, my throat's been all messed up also.
Okay.
Then when the song ended, I was about to start, and then my grandma calls. Damn, what is going on today? She called to tell me there's milk in the mashed potatoes.
Are you lactose intolerant?
No, I think my daughter is.
Okay.
That's why she had to go home. She got sent home yesterday, and I told the wife she needed to stay home again today because they gave her milk that we've told her many times not to.
Yeah.
And then they're like, oh, she's got a temperature. I'm like, she ain't got no damn temperature. Y'all gave her milk. We told you not to.
Mm.
Not my fault y'all can't follow instructions.
Well, we're
What it
going down.
was.
We're breaking through pre-market lows and last Friday's low, on the daily. If you take a look, we're breaking through
Looked at anything.
that support there.
I haven't looked at anything. All I'm looking at is this chart and seeing if it says order.
Order filled.
Order filled. You know it already.
Who doesn't know? Who doesn't dream about that sound? Dave, you can close the window.
Wow, thanks.
You're welcome. I forgot to turn the heat on for you.
So they had that lockdown at the school yesterday.
Yeah.
So I'm assuming they didn't have the regular people giving them food. So I guess they didn't get the memo that she was lactose intolerant.
Mm-hmm.
So they gave her a big old chocolate milk to drink. And it just so happens that 30 minutes later,
That was funny.
yep, I think we might know what the problem was. Well, it's like, yeah, how many times I told y'all not to give her milk? Then we tell the girl, right? We're like, well, you do know better. And she's like, I like chocolate milk.
Yeah. That's my kid's weakness too.
Right?
So check done.
You can't leave it up to the kid. But I like chocolate milk. You like your belly hurting? No. But I like chocolate milk.
Yeah. Most of the time he remembers to take
Now she's not having a day.
those lactose things, those lactose pills, but sometimes he forgets and he pays the price.
I was thinking they had something like that. They work.
They work for him.
I need to ask her doctor about getting her some.
Most of the time they work for her. Him.
Morning. Mike, good morning. K50, good morning. Skeletor, good morning. Everybody else I missed, good morning.
Yeah.
Sorry, my morning cup. Yes, I still fight in Trader Daily. Bob C. Sir, good morning. Mike is asking you a question.
Is he asking me if I'm busy trading the opening? The answer is yes. Read it to me.
Are you giving away?
Am I giving away? What? Maybe the what? Your what got cut out? Did you say what are we giving away?
Read it to you.
Yeah, I just heard you say, are you giving away? I think you meant to say, what are you giving away?
I said what he said.
Bob's saying, are you giving away?
Oh, are you giving away? That's what he said.
We are giving away on Monday. We're still running the beta today, and on Monday it starts. We're giving away, it's a giveaway of 20 accounts, 10 from Bullinox and 10 from Taurus Arena. Nice to see you here, Bob. It's a giveaway game. Want to see the preview of it? Let's see if I can get it up for a quick second here. That's the giveaway game. We put you in it. You got to get into the winner's pit. You got the resistance wall. Now let's see if we can get into another long trade.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, mouse. You heard? I don't know if you heard. The volume's 800,000, eh? Remember, 400,000 is usually my...
Another one of those days, huh? So this is the same area that we've been bouncing off of. Was a bit lower, but then it got a bit higher. Coming off of that kind of support area there. Looks like we're getting this large push up off of it.
Mm-hmm.
So I would be looking to see how the market reacts here.
Yeah, not surprising.
Theoretically, I should be going online and buying some stocks. How much you want to bet by the time we get off stream to be way up there?
I was saying, are we going to be able to make it up to 25,200? We need to make it up to 25,200 to not close below the 50.
Nice push, yeah, Bama. Too much going on this morning.
I'm
Boy,
talking
that's what
about
got
the
me last time
daily.
we was in this area.
The daily, eh? To not close below the 50 on the daily.
Last time I was in this area, I wanted to buy a bunch of stocks and like, all right, I'll get it later. Come back and it's shot to the moon. Like, you mother beach.
40.63 on gold. Gold's rallying also, making a nice push.
Push, didn't they? On the daily charts.
Say that again. Cutting in and out on your first words again.
Amazon had a big push up, but I'm not talking about like today. I'm talking about like the past week or so.
Yeah.
Looking at the long-term charts, waiting on this trade to down 38.
Such a bugger.
Okay. We trading long, short?
Don't ask.
Don't ask, don't tell.
Don't ask, don't tell.
Was that don't ask me no questions? I won't tell you no lies.
Mm-hmm. Very bad trading. Very bad trading. And again, why?
Who did it?
I'm going counter trend. That's why. Always counter trend. Counter trend greed. I should be only going long. And I was taking shorts, and I had 3 big losers in a row.
We just talked about coming off of this big support zone.
I know.
Big candle pushing up, bullish candle.
I'm so standard.
Last time we came here, blinked for a second and shot to the moon. Doesn't mean past performance, doesn't mean future performance, but something to look at.
801. charts are off a little bit, it looks like. Hard to tell.
Mine look pretty good.
Hard to tell, but it looks like my charts are off. I mean, it's hard to see up and down at the same time.
Did work on my bot a little bit yesterday.
Okay.
But I'll have to run it in test mode for a few days. Did kind of have a mix up with DeepSeek, and I'm like, can you just undo all that bullshit and go back where we're supposed to be? It said yes, but you know how that goes.
944 coming up to 945, 15-minute opening range. Let's take a look at ES and NQ. Again, they kind of look the same, but in this case, NQ looks a little bit stronger. NQ is taking out the 7 o'clock highs. ES is not.
Cold, man. Why am I cold?
It is 29th and 444. I had the window open, actually, even it's freezing where I am right now.
I mean, it's like 68 where I'm at, but I got the heater on.
Yeah, there's a bit of delay. 50.
What's that blue line? Is that VWAP?
There is definitely a delay. 45, 45. The blue line is VWAP, yeah. I always use blue dash for VWAP.
What,
It'd be nice if I had eyes on the top of my head and in the front of my head so I can...
Can you tell me where the VWAP is?
888. Easy number.
88. Make sure I'm not buying into VWAP.
Do I go take a quick bathroom break now that we're close to VWAP?
Looks like I'm going to buy right into VWAP. 2.
9:46. I gotta write the time down because you're cutting out. I gotta see if it's on both streams or just on mine. If it's just on mine, then it's the Discord settings again. Or again, you'll have to explain me how your line 6 works with your prism. If your prism is direct and your line 6 is not, and if your prism is direct, then I would ask, why would you use direct with prism and line 6 with Discord?
Take that off. Too close to VWAP. Been through enough pain to fight VWAP.
Oh, look at that. 78 Street.
Did put the noise canceller back on yesterday. Was it doing it yesterday?
I don't remember.
I mean, I got it as low as it'll go.
Yeah.
All right. Turns out it could have went a little bit lower. So now it's as low as it can go. So if it keeps doing it, tell me.
Yeah. Well, it's true. I'm not hearing you from my stream, eh? I'm
Trying to
hearing
get
you.
that little bit of hiss out.
Yeah.
You shouldn't even hear it on yours. No, it can't be it because that's on Prism. That's not even.
No, I'm not hearing you on. I'm not hearing you hiss. I'm hearing you get cut out like you're underwater. Like when you said "all right," what I heard was.
Yeah, yours does that too. That's got to be Discord. Yeah.
That's annoying because we miss the first words.
Yeah, anything I got here, you don't even hear. So certainly not it.
Breaking through VWAP strongly. 949. This 5-minute candle will definitely be closing above the 5-minute opening range. 15-minute opening range. That would be very interesting to see if we bounce off this level here. I mean, it's a range. It's a range between 626 and 789. It's a wide range. We had a lot of bounces on the daily at different levels, all in the same area. Wow, that was a little bit of a dump while I was talking about that. Holy shit. 880 to 895 in an insta.
Seems like the new bot did pretty good so far. It took 2 trades. I finally got the auto scale where it doesn't like zoom way out on my chart. I was trying to tell DeepSea guys, like, look, can we do something about this auto scale? And it went in and deleted all my second orders and all kinds of stuff. I was like, damn, DeepSea, that's not quite what I meant. I was talking about the indicator. Like, can we fix all that and start back over? Like, it went through and gutted my bot. But all those pictures I've been taking of the errors, I went through and gave it all those pictures. Like, look, man, I'm getting all kinds of errors. What can we do about this? Thought that if I didn't have the bot on, if it was the bot causing NinjaTrade to have issues, maybe I wouldn't do it. But today I had issues again. I had to reset it again. I didn't even have the bot on. So I don't know what it is.
Holding below VWAP.
Basically, just have to run on a limited version of NinjaTrader and reset it 3 times a week.
That is not convenient.
No.
That's not convenient. That's not fun. That's not cool. Give me a sec. I'll be back.
Anybody else taking trades? How y'all doing in this? Good job for anybody that took this low down here. Run it up. Damn. They got 250 points. Go from the low over 300. Took it, but closed it. Well, good job. I don't think any of us could have known it was going to run 300 points. I was talking about over here before we hit the same area, shot up. All these times back over here. 270 on 1 micro. Can't complain about that. No, man, that's awesome. I'm just sad by the time I get to buy stocks, they're going to be way up here. Same thing happened to me last time over here. What can you do? I got enough stocks. Could always buy some more Meta. I say it's down like 28%, 24%. Would like Meta and Oracle.
Okay, I'm back. And
Shh, don't talk about him. He's back.
quiet.
Be real quiet. Don't talk about him. He's back.
Long at 34. Did I get in? Long at 27. Nice.
I don't even know if you could hear me whispering into the mic.
Yeah, no, the whispering I hear.
Really?
Yeah.
Got like 3 noise gates. Whatever that other noise thing is.
No, the whispering I hear.
Noise, like 2-3 noise gates and a noise suppressor, and that one kind of acts as a noise gate also.
And you do all this why?
So I don't get that buzzing sound that you get.
Bzzzt. I'm buzzing?
Sometimes on the phone I hear it when it's just you. Not that much though. I hear other people, they're way worse.
Yeah, it's a trade-off, I guess, eh?
Yeah.
So what did we do? You can see that blue box, we swept the pre-market lows, and then we went right up to the pre-market highs. Told you guys that happens with a very high frequency, much higher than you would think it would. I mean, I'm not saying it happens daily, but it happens quite often. And that was
the one you're always talking about Asia low or something?
No, this is the pre-market. The pre-market is, if it touches one side, very often. It's almost like every third day or something, it goes to the other side. I should start keeping stats on it. And it really just takes out the low by a little bit. Or the high, whatever, whichever side it takes out. It's an interesting trade. I don't know, but
Go ahead.
I was going to say, how do you create a trigger, an entry for that and a stop, What is it, on the first time you break the high of the previous candle on the 1 minute chart? Is it the first, after the break of structure, the first little retrace? Hard to come up with something, but you know what? I'm going to do a little back testing on that and check it out.
Well, I do see several entry triggers for that. First off, I was going to say that the ICT guys would call this accumulation, manipulation, distribution
and aggravation.
Accumulation, your manipulation coming down and to the moon. Since that's too much of a headache for me, I would just say
Is there an aggravation in
We have
that?
a morning star pattern on the 2-minute chart. On this other 2-minute chart. On this 2-minute chart, we have a bullish engulfing. So you can see we broke down, took liquidity, bullish engulfing candle. We also have a gap, breaking a gap. So right there would have been a perfect entry. 2-minute chart. Ran like 200 points after that. Of course, I've never been accused of holding a 200-point trade, so I would have took about 20 or 30 points. I have no interest in 100-point trades. Do you know why? Ask me why, Mike. Ask me why.
Because we don't like to hold.
Because too many times I go up 50, 60, 70, 80 points and come right back down and take all my money.
Yeah, too many times. It seems like all the time. Forget the too many times.
That'll put you in a bad mood for the day. Wood chip, good morning.
Good morning, wood chip.
Wood chip, wood chip,
Wood chip.
wood chip. Yes, wood chip. What it says? It says wood chip.
Hi there. That's a nice way to say good morning. Hi there. I like that. I'm going to start using it.
Unless it's a wood chip and pasta.
Omnius? Hi
Omnius?
there.
Omnius and pasta?
Omnius and pasta. Officer Omnius.
Not me.
Yeah. I hear you, Sparky. I shorted 933 to 742. That must have been in the middle of the night. No, in the middle of the night for you. Not for me. 6 in the morning for me. It looks like.
I guess this drop up here. Looks about right.
Yeah, the problem is
what? 742? Sweet.
Wow, 310 my time.
190
Buddy,
point.
You need sleep.
Yeah, sleep's overrated.
That's what I said for a long time.
I just say it because some reason I like waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning and not going back to sleep for several hours.
10 to 3. Okay, that's good. Guys, I'm going to reset my Ninja Trader. Give me a half a second. You'll still be able to hear me. But I'm going to close it down. And I'm going to flush. What am I going to flush? I'm going to flush the cash. Because I'm noticing that my charts are a little behind. I'm entering and I'm clicking even by market. And I'm getting prices that aren't on the chart. That's not where the candle is. So let's clear it out. Ninja Trader Toolkit. Well, it came with the trade copier. There's a flusher. So it's easy. You press one button and then you got like 9 lines. Cleared this directory, cleared that directory. Wow, 271 micro. Good job. No, Bama says he took 270 on 1 micro. I haven't checked for copyright strikes in a while. I gotta check. $135 points. Yep, that's a good catch. That's a big fish. Wow. Okay, we're waiting for it to load. Good volatility, but you know what? Got all these rules. Don't enter late, don't enter early. How about when the ATR is like where we are now? I'm guessing it's probably pretty high. I'm going to have to log in and see what the, even if the volume is. I'm curious.
You know what's funny is we never like other people's rules. Then we make our own rules and we don't like them either.
Yeah, it is odd, eh? Sometimes I say to them, what the hell do you even have rules for?
Like, why don't you go make your own rules then? Make your own rules. I don't like those either.
I'm saying what makes it hard is like you can't even get the price you're trying for. Okay, we can connect. Everything is hunky-dory.
You good? You got it?
Yeah, it's loading now. It's got to bring in all the data. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 charts. Plus the volume bar. So it's all fresh. 1.2 million at 10:05 on the volume. So there you go. You got an idea of what I was saying on
That a lot?
it is.
Yeah, I see it on my chart. There's large orders everywhere. Need to raise the number or something.
Yeah.
I think every candle's got it.
Well, for me, the
Like, what am I even looking at?
the number I'm always got in my head is 400,000.
Look at this. Show me the large orders. They haven't stopped. It's every freaking candle.
If we get over 400,000 by 9:30, that's pretty good. You know, and then you
I got set 500. Let's raise it to 7.
that's where we are now. That's pretty high. What did I say it was? Was it 1 million already?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, 1.2, I think I said. Yeah, 1.2 million. Yeah, no, that's very high. That's probably 3 times normal. ATR 37, very high.
Y'all should start streaming Asian. I don't know if I can see with my eyes squinted like that. Next thing is blurry, Bama. God, tough crowd. It's supposed to be a little funny.
Boom, boom. That's all I can say.
I know those Asian guys, they're pretty good traders. I don't know. Mike, when is the Asian
Wow.
session?
What is the Asia session?
What time? Yeah. You keep up with all that stuff, not me.
Woodchip says now with daylight saving time, it opens at 7. I used to know it to open at 8. So what did we do? We moved the clocks forward or backwards? I don't even remember. I don't even know if they have daylight savings times. Anyways, it's starts at 7 or 8 p.m.
Well, that sucks, Bama. Gonna start working 8 to 5. Won't be able to join as often. That sucks. I don't know if I could wake up at 7. You're talking 7 in the morning, right?
No, Asia session, 7
At
p.m.
night? I don't know. That's
7
why I
p.m.
asked.
Asia,
This guy.
Asia, it's Asia.
I only keep up with New York.
Yeah, there we go. It's working better. Working better.
Maybe we'll try to do a couple Asian sessions or something.
Yeah, I like the evening stream. I hope I can get back to it next week.
I know Mike likes to do it. It's hard for me to do it because I got kids and that's generally family time. Plus, it's kind of hard to stream with kids running around yelling, jumping on you. Maybe we can work something out, try to do like a certain day or something. We thought about trying to do some different time frames. It's just hard to get it together.
It's gonna be another strong move up, and I have to bail on.
Plus, the market's really slow in the nighttime.
Often it is. Yep.
Most time I see people trading it, they really don't even trade.
Be a good time to play deal me in all day long.
Yeah. I mean, you can trade the Asian session, or I call it night session, but
yeah,
you can trade. It's just really slow.
It's
good for the just kind of buy and hold strategy. Pick your direction, buy at a good price, and just kind of hold it for a while. Yeah, Bam, I would almost rather trade before work than the night session. But, I mean, it is tradable. See people do it.
Yeah, you change maybe your charts a little bit. You make them a little more sensitive, number one. And number two, you're not getting in for 10 or 15 seconds. Even the way I trade with my targets, you're getting in for 20 minutes, 40 minutes, just to hit target on one, get a second wrinkle bar.
Yeah.
And you say to yourself, what the hell am I doing this for?
A few of the strategies I know that work pretty well in that session is like the first inside bar. I know a few of those guys trade that. Maybe get you an inside bar indicator. Yeah, lower volume, longer hold time. Get you something like an inside bar indicator and support and resistance. But I think it just takes so long to come down to your support.
Well, what I was trading in the evening session was gold. I found gold was the better bang for your buck, even Bitcoin. NQ was slow, but gold still trades. especially in the Asia session. Bitcoin, it's active all the time.
Damn, Bama, we're gonna miss you during the day. But you gotta do what you gotta do. See if we can get something at night. Trying to get Mike to do something in the afternoon, but I guess you'd still be at work then too. I want to start doing like a podcast type deal. Talk about different strategies and
Yeah, I set up a window for that already. I'll show it to you. I think it's nice.
different psychology tricks. Time where we can kind of get together, hang out, and go over different aspects of trading. Where the morning session's mainly about the chart and everybody's distracted. Like to get something where we get together and talk about the other aspects of trading. Yelling my guys, I'll jump in the chart from time to time. Oh yeah, Bama.
That makes us feel good. Appreciate it. Thank you very much, Bama.
Yep, it's hard to trade with a full-time job. But it is doable. Wake up a little early, take you a trade, come home, do the night session, take you a trade. They're just so different, though. You almost got to have a different mindset in the morning, a different mindset at night. What are we looking for, Mike?
I took a little bit of a long, but I had my opportunity to get out, and it didn't take me out. It's funny. The charts, I swear to God, seriously, the charts are way off where price actually is. Price was above my limit line to get out. Took me out.
I got 931. Well, it moves so fast.
Yeah. What are you doing telling me I got 931? By the time you said that, we were at 951.
Yeah, 970, 960.
This isn't the evening session. You can't tell me we're at 931. You can tell me we're in the 900s. We're in the 900s.
They're at 40 points in like 2 seconds.
Well, the thing is, I know the charts do that on NinjaTrader. The data comes in, and then it updates the chart. It's a back and forth. So if you had a bot, the bot would be getting in, and you would be saying, wait a minute, we didn't even trigger yet, because the bot reads the data. It doesn't go off the chart. But I'm trading off the chart visually. So I'm trading one data batch late. And when you have an ATR of 40, second login? What are you talking about?
Bama, if we don't see you, still got to come into Discord from now and then. Hang out. When do you start the 8 to 5? I assume probably next week. Start Monday. Well, if you got you a new job, congratulations on the new job. It's always exciting.
Actually, it's better hours. If I remember, Bama used to be working in the night shift. I know when
I think he used to get off right as we were getting on the stream, wasn't he?
When I was doing the all-nighters.
Maybe it's the same job, and maybe he got on day shift.
It's tough to do a shift like that.
I know night shift would be hard. Bam, is it the same job? You just go on the day shift? Oh, new job, yeah. A lot of jobs are toxic environments now. Mike, imagine somebody comes to you and they say, look, I'm going to show up every day. I'm going to make you a shitload of money. All I want you to do is treat me right. Right? You'd be like, hell yeah, I treat you like gold. Why is that difficult for jobs? I guess that's how they make all their money.
Mm-hmm.
Treating other people like crap. And then, like, not even the owners and stuff, the people that move up to like supervisor or management or something. Man, as soon as they become a supervisor or a manager, they change immediately, don't they?
Yeah, well, they have to. They have to enforce.
Like, dude, what happened to you? You was cool for 10 years and now you're a freaking jackass.
They have to enforce the rules.
You don't have to do anything.
Well, that's why they got that job. If they took it, they have to.
I think I was always that guy that they hated to go talk to. Like, come here, we need to talk. You sure? Take a deep breath first.
Mm.
Don't like all the DEI and the alphabet mafia crap. I hear that. Nope, I would never put up with that. Yep, I had to be talked to a few times about stuff just like that. I was never good in the office meetings. Like, yeah. Everybody else goes in the office, they start getting on to them. Like, I'm sorry. I'll do better.
Mm.
Me. I don't give a fuck. It's your problem. Why are you telling me? Fuck you want from me?
Employee of the month.
I think I sent a lot of supervisors home crying. Just one guy at work. He's just so freaking difficult.
Mm.
Like, well, I told you to take a deep breath. Funny thing about jobs is sometimes it's not even the supervisor. Sometimes it's the other employees. It's like, do y'all really get paid enough to worry about what I'm doing? I remember I had the first kid and I told him I was taking time off for the kid. And they're like, well, you really don't have any time to take off. What do you need? Like one day?
Yeah, one day.
I'm going to be gone for like 2 weeks. Like, what? Well, if I don't have the job when I get back, just let me know. I'll go to get another one.
Yeah.
The company's like, all right, take 2 weeks. I come back, all the employees are mad. How'd you get 2 weeks off?
Mm.
I don't know. I went to the management, told them I was taking 2 weeks off. Just the corporate policy where I left. Yeah, a lot of that stuff policy everywhere now. Isn't it crazy when a job has to hire a DEI manager?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, we have to hire a DEI manager to make sure we got our DEI. What?
Thought that stuff was dead already.
What's that?
I thought that stuff was dead already.
Hell no. Bam, if they're a public company, they pretty much have to have DEI because of BlackRock. BlackRock pretty much requires them to have DEI. Government contracted. You know, the government requires a lot of it too now.
Oh, the moves are fast, man.
J.M. Smucker Company. Well, hopefully the new job works out better. Get away from all that toxic bullshit. Here's the important things to note. You got to be there at least 90 days before you tell them to go fuck themselves. Mike, I don't know about in Canada, but in the U.S., they have like a 90-day probationary period
Yeah.
for most jobs.
Yeah, I think they all do.
A lot less physical labor for you. All for that. Hell yeah. I mean, I don't know how old you are. I mean, I remember being in my 20s and loving all that physical stuff. Then came the 30s and I was like, I don't know about this, man. I can't go out there and sweat for 8 hours anymore, nonstop. Yeah, 40? No. It's over. The body be like, bullshit, bullshit, bullshit.
Okay, let me take a quick break again.
Grab me a coffee, will you?
Sounds good.
12 hours a day, 5 to 6 days a week. Yeah, Bam, I was doing that a few years back. Finally, I told myself, look, I can't work like this. I basically told the company, look, best I can do is about 8 or 9, maybe 10 hours a day. If you're going to fire me, do it. But the job wasn't that bad. I was running a machine. So, fun running the machines. They just like a lot of hours. They're like, you don't understand how much money we're making. I'm like, yeah, you are. Not me.
At best, I make a little. Most likely, I'll break even on it overall, and then I take these big losses on it. I mean, it's pretty silly. And the other thing that I was saying about the rules is I got to make adjustments when the ATR is 43 points.
Yeah, that's why I haven't really traded much today.
Because my Renko chart is acting like a 1 second chart right now.
I mean, the chart still looks pretty good. I feel like could have had a lot of great trades, but I don't know, man. It's Friday.
10:30.
Got beat up enough yesterday, made back. A lot of what I got beat up on yesterday. So,
good job.
I don't know. Would like another trade or two, but not going to force it. Yeah, I always told my jobs, look, family comes first. A job's a job. A family's a family. Like, look, y'all do what y'all do. I try to show up when I can. But my family comes first, dude. What's so funny is so many times other people will be like, you know, you're going to be the first one to get laid off. And come time to lay people off and stuff, I was generally one of the last people to get laid off. Like, oh, what happened? Oh, you got laid off? You kissed ass and told your family they weren't important enough for all these years, and you were the first one they fired. How you feel about that? What I like about trading, though. Show up when I want. Trade when I want. If I don't want to trade, don't trade.
No traffic.
I mean, the traffic's terrible. Tripped over a dog this morning. Yeah, you. Mike, does your animals always lay exactly where like the walkway is?
Oh, it's crazy. It's always in my feet. I get so aggravated.
Yeah, Bam, I think when people are younger, they like all that money. Nowadays, it takes too long for me to recover. I don't know. I can't do it. And I see all these people making all this money, and they're still broke. Like, all right, you working 80 hours a week, but you just said you were broke.
Yeah. Got up to the previous day's low, just got a little bit above it, and then rounded down.
I know people that make great money, killer money. We'd all love to make their money. Do they have money? No, they're broke. It's funny.
It's funny, not for them.
I just couldn't imagine making 200, 300, 400 grand a year, being broke. Not only that, some of them are married and they both make that. Still broke. How the hell you broke? What happened? Here's what they get that I don't get. They get a really big shiny house and a real fancy shiny car. And you know what? They can have it.
Mm.
Like my house, like my car. Mike, why are you hiding?
Am I?
You scared? Somebody threaten you?
No, you know what? I turned the mic off and then I forget to turn the, then I turn the mic back on. I forget, if I turn the mic on first, I forget to turn the camera on. Of course. Oh, Lord.
What?
It's unbelievable.
What'd I do?
Oh, then I took another counter trend scalp. It's like they're working. I take one, it doesn't work. That's why I said, of course.
Did you lose?
Yeah, 50
Good.
bucks.
Got what you deserved.
Good. I did.
Now you see why I can't be an accountability partner?
Mm-hmm.
Nah, I was just joking. I don't want you to lose trades. Why counter trend though? Just asking.
I guess it's just FOMO. It's just greed. Just trying to eke out a few dollars on the little mini move. And
Yeah. Bama 2 trades, 2 wins, up 500. Done for the day. Sweet.
nice.
Especially on a Friday. That's a good way to end the week. Go into the weekend. Yeah, I wouldn't risk it. Lock that in, switch to a eval or a paper account or
This better go to 25.
25. What's that now?
There we go. Am I all out? -3. Or is it just taking too long to process the orders? Flatten, cancel.
Bama, where'd you take the second trade? I know the first one was back here. Well, if I was on the right chart. I don't know why it keeps trying to show that window.
Looks like it wants to go. Micro E-mini Nasdaq.
I know the first one was back here somewhere. Second one in here. All I see is a bunch of chop.
Yep.
Look at these candles.
Maybe I should just take my $21 loss and that's it.
All these wicks. Start seeing all that, it tells me, calm down. Try to stay out of this. Took it off that accumulation area around here. You kind of have a accumulation there, then the manipulation. Push back up. Crazy thing is this huge move, and we're still down on the day.
Mm.
Pushing up to the Globex Open now.
Are we really? Oh, yeah, you're right. Previous close, 088. Getting up to, got through 25,000.
So it went down almost 500 points on the day and right back up 480. That's crazy. Almost 1,000 points of movement so far today.
Mm.
I think if you could have caught that going down and then caught it going back up. One day I'm going to be as good as some of those hindsight traders. Mike looks like he's in deep thought.
Watching. It's fast. I got to be on the ball.
All right, I'm going to grab my drink. Be back.
Am I short at 57? Come on. Stupid laggy platform. Moving up strong. Getting up to the previous day's close at 088. Probably going to tap into it. Wouldn't be surprised. Should see a move down now on the first one. On the first touch. ATR 28. Bouncing off previous day's close. Yes, just got up to previous day's low. So ES is weaker. Relatively speaking. Yeah, definitely. NQ is stronger today. $30-point push off the previous day's close. The prices are changing fast, man. I'm along at 72. Let's see if we go back into the 80s. Target is 81. There we go. There's the 81. Okay, that was a little bit slower of a trade. 27 ATR. 40 ATR is very hard to trade. But it really looks like we're going to push through, eh? It really looks like we're going to push through. 81. Oh, I don't have my chat up, eh? Duck. Chat. Okay, there we go.
I got attacked by a gremlin that wanted marshmallows. Might that happen to you when you took a break also?
No. I got a partial message from you. Happy birthday too, and I didn't see the rest. 26 minutes ago.
From who?
Omnius, it said. On Facebook.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, it said Omnius. Happy birthday too, ... I clicked on it, it just sent me to your page.
The hell are you talking about?
Yeah.
Didn't you have a birthday like 3 months ago? 2 months ago?
I don't know. You wrote it.
Where?
Oh, no, it's not showing up now. It was a notification. Let me close my phone.
You got a notification 3 months late?
Omnius Trades. Oh, it's not showing now. I would have taken a screenshot.
Joker, good morning.
Good morning, Joker. Oof. Tough
Bama was
trading today
looking
for
for
me.
sales at 25,000. But looking at the tape and footprint, I went on and bought. I think that means it took a buy.
Maybe I'm on live chat. Let me put on live
I guess
chat
the
here.
buy would have been the correct answer. Good job. We got 1046. My messages.
Well, we broke above previous day's close. Like I said, ESNQ is quite a bit stronger than ES today. And we're just going up, up, and away. Let's see the daily. Where do we got to get to? Ha! Look at that. We are back above the 50 moving average. I was going to say, if we close below it, and I didn't think we would come back up that much. Really, I didn't. Strong, strong, strong. Volume, probably 1.8 million.
Mike, I sent you a message in Discord.
1.5. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
2.
Happy birthday.
I didn't write a message in Discord.
What did I just say? I said I sent you. I as in me.
Well, you know what I heard? I just saw. I don't mind. Sure. Open it up. Go. You always beat me to it. I'll try and beat you without even telling you when I'm leaving.
I'm already there. I ain't even asked anybody yet.
Watch how long it takes me. Oh, well, how come I hear you? Where? Because I'm in a different room. The public now? So where's the audio come from? Go speak? No. No. You're just coming in to my earphones like this from Discord. So that definitely it's definitely Discord. Hey, Bama. Mm-hmm. Oh, you know what? This one probably. Oh, no, there, it just made a noise.
Now can I still hear you?
Okay, there we go. That's working. We'll get the camera up soon enough.
Okay. What y'all want to talk about?
58.
I don't know. Where's everybody at?
Sleeping? I think it's cold weather. Got everybody sleeping.
Target 65.
I'm enjoying this cold weather.
Find myself enjoying it sometimes, and sometimes not so much. But it's weird because, like, it'll be like 60 degrees, and I'm like freezing. Then the other day it was like 45, and I was like, oh, this ain't even that cold. My body
I had to turn my heat on the other night, and I don't ever turn it on.
Yeah, I turn mine on. I always turn mine on before it gets really cold, just to let it run at because the heat don't run all summer and spring or fall and all that. So it's good to let it run on a day it's not running that much. Clear it out.
Get that smell out of it.
Yeah.
Snow. He doesn't have snow.
Mike don't even know what you're talking about. He said smell.
Oh, smell. I was just going to bring that up. When we start hours up for the first time, it always smells like our house is on fire.
Yeah.
All the dust that accumulated on it starts burning. Okay. Cam, what does a cam look like? A cam looks like that. Window capture, video
and then when
capture.
The first time you start it, the longer it runs or the harder it runs. Like if you do it if you wait for like a hard freeze or something to do it, and then the whole house smells like it's burning down.
Mm-hmm.
If it's the kids that open the heat, we wake up in the middle of the night. The house is on fire. Anybody smell fire?
I swear sometimes my fire alarms like to go off in the middle of the night anyways. They like around 2 o'clock.
I agree.
What?
I agree 100%.
Whatever you're saying it's not coming through.
He got abducted.
He got abducted by aliens.
Yeah.
It was like,
y'all hear me?
Yeah.
We do now, yeah. I guess you're on your cell, eh? Usually that's a cell phone.
I don't really burn anything, but for some reason, any little bit of smoke sets it off. I guess that's because I got it so close to the stove.
Oh, yeah.
you're talking about the fire alarm. Yeah, we got the, we beat you. We got the world's most sensitive one. You fart, it goes off.
Most of mine are on the other side of the house, but we have a hallway and there's several rooms around the hallway. And they got code now where you have to have like one in the hallway, one in the door of each bedroom. So we got like 4 or 5 fire alarms like within 10 feet of the house.
Mm.
And then the hallway kind of acts like a big speaker box. And they like to go off at 2 o'clock in the morning. It's so freaking loud, it like gives you a migraine. Me and the wife are like jumping out of bed. What's happening? What's going on? Both kids sleep right through it.
Yeah, the kids always sleep through it. How many times we had meetings with the kids? Hey,
Yeah.
guys, the thing is ringing. It's not like a car alarm. You know, when it's just ringing and you're walking in a parking lot and you hear a car alarm, you just ignore it. This is a fire alarm in your house. You don't just roll over and put a pillow on your head.
I don't know how many times we've had those meetings. Like, guys, fire alarm means there could be a fire. Get up, get moving, do it quickly. I mean, luckily we've never had a fire, but it's just weird that it just randomly goes off 2 o'clock in the morning.
Ghosts.
I think a change in pressure also sets them off. And then when one goes off, all of them go off. But Chip, we're in the Discord. You want to come hang out, chat with us?
Yeah, still looking for trades?
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm still scalping my way to aggravation.
Haven't really taken much of anything today.
I thought I was going to lose that first trade. That's why I only took one micro on it, but it worked out. So.
Yeah, it works out great. And you're like, man, I wish I'd have did like a 5 lot or a 6 lot.
Yeah, because I took it off of an area I had marked way back. I said, well, I marked it for a reason, so I'm going to trust it.
Yeah.
Was that the low of like
it had to have been like a
yeah,
the low. There was an imbalance there from a previous candle, and there's like a big imbalance. I'll mark that area and wait for price to revisit it.
Yeah, come here. You gonna say hi? I don't see you.
On what time frame did you see the imbalance? 1 hour? 1 hour?
The imbalance would have been on the footprint on the 30 minute.
I gotcha. I wouldn't even know how to read that.
Go do minion stuff. Skeletor, we got Discord open. You want to come hang out? Chat for a few minutes? Kind of having a relaxing chat day, Friday. Bama made all the money. I'm just trying not to lose money. Mike, that's still a strategy, right?
It is. Last I checked. Sitting on your hands.
I'm just kind of happy I made back some money today on the bot trades instead of losing money again. Been getting kind of beat up. I'm hoping I fix some of those errors I keep running into. What now? It is open.
The pool?
Fill it. He said you look like a girl and you sit down to pee. Mike, you didn't mess with your kids enough when they were growing up.
No, I did not. When I hear you, I definitely did not.
I want my kids to be like teenagers or something. Somebody's trying to bully them. And they're like, that's all you got? That's the best you can do?
Hmm.
I got in trouble last night, Mike.
Skeletor.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good morning.
Good,
What's
good
up?
afternoon.
Good morning.
Good morning, good afternoon.
Morning.
Mike, I got in trouble last night. The girl was like, you never gave the boy birthday spankings.
That's so
was like-
unfair.
I was like, all right, bet. All right, bet. So the wife was holding him, and I ran there to give him birthday spankings. And he's like squirming around, and I accidentally stepped on his foot.
Oh, man.
So not only did he get beat, he got his foot hurt.
You meant well.
Yeah, what can you do? Like, I didn't mean to hurt your foot. I was trying to beat you. And he's like, well, you shouldn't be trying to beat me. Like,
It's your birthday.
yeah. It's like, that's not a thing. I'm like, I'm pretty sure it is. Somebody
It
told
is
me that was a
now.
thing.
It is now in our household. Well, all I
Like, look,
can
I'm
say is
trying here. You know, just give me credit. I'm trying.
when
I
your
don't want you to feel
grandpa,
like you missed out. I
when
want you to
your
get the full
grand-
experience.
when you're grandpa, don't be surprised why you don't get invited to your grandkids' birthdays.
Which Mike kind of busy right now. That's cool.
Yeah. My chat just keeps disappearing, and I forget to put it up.
Nah, I got a good relationship with my kids.
There we go. I might kind of busy right
You
now.
hear everybody nowadays talking about don't be friends with your kids. Why? You're missing an amazing opportunity in life.
Yeah, definitely 100%. I am definitely friends with my kids. There are drawdowns to it, but
I feel like we have a healthy in-between relationship. Like, I'll be your friend, but don't fuck with me.
yeah, you still got to have respect and remember I'm your dad.
Mine kind of turned me when they got to be teenagers.
What?
The girls,
Yeah, I didn't
kids,
catch it.
don't
Oh,
know.
you're breaking
They
up
don't
again.
tell me. They don't tell me shit.
You're back on the far side of the moon.
Need to get better cell service like this.
Unfortunately.
Yeah, you better now. Something about teenagers. That's all I heard.
No, when my girls got to be teenagers, it kind of changed on me.
Yeah, I'm dreading that moment in life. How bad was it?
It was pretty bad. I'd say with my oldest, she always favored her mother. But my youngest favored me, and when she got to be a teenager, she kind of stopped talking to me.
Oh, well. That's not cool. It's not fun when that happens.
No,
Mike, did you go through that?
No, I did not.
Were the teenage years bad years?
I can't say they were. I can't say they were. I mean, my kids did some shit, but we really weren't into punishing. We were just into explaining and stuff, and it kind of worked out well for us. You know, we held our breath, certainly, sometimes.
yeah, but y'all got married. Divorced, so
That is,
the weekend was kind of like,
I need an interpreter, miss.
You remember that cartoon with the Moon Man?
Did you catch that at all?
You remember the Moon Man with the little ray gun? What was his name? I can't remember his name.
bad?
The
Oh, yeah,
Martian.
it's pretty bad. There wasn't one word that was audible on that one.
I think part of it's because
Actually, you want to? It sounds like you're playing guitar and piano at the. That's actually what it sounds like. Doesn't even sound like you were talking there, unfortunately.
Marvin, wasn't it Marvin the Martian? I think that was it.
I'm thinking of somebody else. I'm thinking of the one from the Flintstones, the little one with the helmet.
I think it's from like Bugs Bunny or something. Or
yeah, there was him too. Yeah, with the ray gun. Okay.
Yeah, the ray gun, Marvin the Martian, I think it was.
Yeah. Wow, these are big moves, man. 160 down to 095.
Skeletor, how's your trading been today?
Today I didn't trade. I'm not working today, but there was some problem in the office, and I need to send a fucking email right now. So yeah, it's because he was a guy that stole at night some stuff, and I check everything from my part about the inventory and all the stuff, and everything's fine. But I'm like sending an email. I just like see the market. It was nice today,
It looks better than it was. Let's call it that.
Yeah.
I think Bama hit some really great trades, but the candles they're not really. There's like 500 points. They're not really showing like how large these candles are. We went down like 500 points and then back up 550. So
I know the crypto market is getting a bit down.
I haven't looked at crypto in a while.
Bitcoin is at 96,000, something like that.
No kidding, eh?
Yeah. Well, I mean, we all kind of expected it to go down, right? I mean, 126,000. Got to kind of wonder, like, who's buying at 126,000?
Mm.
I'm still looking for 60,000.
Who's buying
Maybe.
at 126,000? The person who said I should have bought at 20, I should have bought at 30, I should have bought at 60, I should have bought at 80. That's who's buying at 126.
Well, here's what I would say. If you think that Bitcoin is a great value at 126,000, right now it's at 96,000. So you really should be thinking it's at a great value now, right?
Too late. They didn't put all their money in it.
Well, that's where it comes to the back end. You got to have management and have a system.
Hey,
You know what?
What happened with Ruan? I didn't see him like 3 weeks or something. I don't know.
I don't know. I messaged him the other day.
Oh, yeah, it's true. I forgot about that.
He must be buying with the moon, right?
Are we in that phase?
I don't know.
Nah.
I
messaged him the other day. I was like, hey, man, we haven't seen you in a while. Some of the guys were asking about you. You didn't get eaten by a tiger, did you? He never messaged back.
I told him to put in, if you don't message back, we're going to assume the tiger got you.
I don't know. See if he messages back or comes back.
I don't know if you see the comment that Michael, the ICT, say about the order flow, that order flow and volume profile and all that stuff doesn't work.
No way, did he?
That's what ICT said?
Yeah.
You go tell that to the order flow traders. Because I'll tell you, there's some really good order flow traders out there.
Order flow is the only thing that has worked for me.
And I'll tell you, a lot of like really seasoned traders that are really good, they claim that order flow is the only thing that'll constantly work.
I believe it. Even though I don't use it, I believe it, because that is what's moving the market. If you can read it.
Yeah, that is like, it's a tape reading, right? So
Is it only filled orders, or is it also what's sitting on the bids and the offers? Because that's tough. What's sitting on the bids and the offers gets removed in microseconds. It's hard to make judgments about that. They play games with that, They stack an offer just to make you think that there's size, try to manipulate you to sell, and then they lift it.
Most time with order flow, people are using like volume profile and maybe footprint, cumulative delta, stuff like that. And then a lot of people go into level 2 data. But I see some of these guys, all they use is volume profile.
I tried to make that. It's in a range.
I'm not having the greatest of days, but when you talk, you make me laugh. You're making my day better. I wish I could record it and play it back for you.
He's like trying to say, fuck you guys, but it comes out like,
maybe.
Oh, that's great.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, I think a lot of times about switching over to order flow, but there's a lot to it. I would like to incorporate certain order flow aspects because I feel like I could improve my own strategy using it. But I don't know, it's just difficult, I guess. I do think that if I had it all in one platform and it was the platform I was trading on, I do feel like it'd be a lot easier. I do think that Ninja Trader is supposed to be coming out with the Ninja prop. I keep seeing stuff about, and I'm hoping that they're going to give order flow and all that in there. I think they're trying to compete with everybody switching over to Quantower. So I think that would be awesome.
You can use Quantower on prop firms.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. I think Ninja Traders, they're coming out with Ninja Trader prop now, which isn't really a prop firm, but I guess they're working with prop firms, which they've already been doing forever. So I don't understand, but they call it Ninja Trader prop now. And supposedly they're supposed to be having order flow, all the order flow stuff in there. I was saying I think they're trying to compete with everybody going over to Quantower.
I just bought Trader Dell's software for the order flow for Ninja Trader.
Yeah. And I think you were saying it's pretty good, right?
Yeah, I like the order flow. I don't like the cumulative volume delta he has because for whatever reason, it constantly times out, so it's never accurate. So I don't use it.
Let me ask you a question. Does it time out or does it like you refresh the chart and it's got to start all over?
My guess is that it times out because if I refresh the chart, it's entirely different.
So I have a cumulative delta indicator I downloaded, but if I refresh the chart or something, or if I change anything in one of the indicators, it completely starts over from where the chart refreshes. So like right now, if I go and I like change something in the indicator, all the back cumulative delta I won't have, and it'll be starting from right now. Maybe that's what it's doing.
It'll show the back data, but
Okay.
the entire narrative that it paints is backwards from what it was before you refreshed it.
Yeah.
So I don't trust it.
Yeah.
And I know that it gets off because it'll be showing that it's still a negative delta when it's just been bolting, and then I'll refresh it and it corrects.
Like it's not using the proper tick data.
Yeah, something's not right with it, and it could just be my settings or something that I've done, but I don't trust using it.
No, I doubt it because ninja traders do act like that. I built off of is bad about that. I had to quit using them. What you could do, I guess it would defeat the purpose though, is put it to where it's on bar close. So if you put it on bar close, it'll give you the accurate data, but then you won't get the current candle data.
Mm-hmm.
I had to do that on indicators before. I don't remember. I might have had to build it into the code, so I don't know if you can do it just from the indicator window.
I changed the room, so maybe that's why y'all can hear me now.
Yeah, it's still breaking up a little bit.
That's what I did.
Like you get that sweet spot and then it kind of just goes in and out.
Mm.
Yeah.
Go maybe wrap tinfoil around the phone.
I think that'd make it worse. Funny how phones work. Like you can be right next to the Wi-Fi or the signal and stuff, and it don't work.
Mm. No, but I know now it's the cell phone because I know Woodchip a lot of times. He would be on his cell on his way home, and I just wouldn't hear him at all. It would warble.
Warble.
Warble. You know, like that. Warble.
He just said warble.
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 It's an official
word.
word.
Warble. Make that sound again. Huh.
The underwater sound.
Yeah, sure. That's what it is.
Well, I'll just bring it up. I got a little thing I created. If you guys want to check it out, the volumetric now that you guys are talking about the order flow, I think the volumetric platform, I think that's what it's based on. That's what its strong point is with Taurus. And again, if you guys want to check it out and see what indicators they have, whatever, they're having a 3 for 33 sale. Black Friday. What do you think of that, Omnius? I did one of those big mic things.
Target payout 3 times 50K prime, $33.
Yeah, 3 for 33, and it's basically.
Hey, I was reading that.
Oh, it's gone.
This guy.
Yeah.
He's like, hey, look at me. I look, and he's like, oh, it's gone. Haha, you missed it.
Put it back on.
Hey, y'all remember the deep charts thing?
Yeah.
You know that's just Volumetrica reskinned is what they're saying.
No
Yeah.
kidding, because that's the funny
Yeah.
thing.
It's brought to you by Volumetrica. It's their
Right.
product.
When I got the platform, the link said deep charts, and I said, well, that's weird, but yeah, that's odd. Okay, well that makes sense because it's very very volume. I mean, there's a lot of volume indicators in this, and
They're
order
charging you
indicators.
$1,000 for somebody else's platform.
And here you get it for free. 3 accounts, $33. Just saying.
I think you see a lot of it now going on. I think they call it white label platforms.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's so funny. I thought it was the opposite. I thought Volumetrica was piggybacking off deep charts.
I know a lot of people were asking Trades by Matt if he was going to do a platform off of TradingView or something. He said he didn't want to do another white label platform like everybody's doing. He wants to do an actual platform. But I mean, hell, if you can just get somebody else's platform and slap your own label on it, charge $1,000. Damn.
Yeah, I'm just going to get Volumetrica.
Well, I like the platform. I got to tell you, it's web-based. You just log into your dashboard. You click on it. It's right there. It's not on your desktop. And it works like Platform X. It's efficient.
Reminds me of like a web-based version of Quantower.
And the great thing about it, it's much better than Wealth Charts, because Wealth Charts with the 2-second delay, I mean, everything, all the actions are instant. You click, it's instant. Your orders appear instantly. Your fills appear instantly. So if you're interested, take a look. TaurusArena.com. Help support the channel. Appreciate it.
Oh, we enter y'all's code to get that 3 for 33?
Yeah. It's just use code FLOOR. I think you have to just go to TaurusArena.com. Actually, it's not even 3 for 33. It's
actually 3 or more.
Yeah, it's 3 or more. You can Omnius put in 30. And the bill was $330, so
wow.
Yeah, that's a good deal.
What is the platform again? Or the
TaurusArena.com.
How you spell that?
Taurus, TAURUS, AR Arena, ARENA. Taurus.
You sure you got it right? Where?
Yeah, it's on my
okay, yeah.
It's up on my screen right now.
Oh, he was cheating
for a bit. I'll keep it up there for a bit. In the meantime, while I maybe try and take another trade, and it keeps going long. 153 stop 100.
Yeah, if you don't use the code, it's like $79. Definitely don't do that.
And the code was futures or future?
No, floor actually.
Floor.
Also, even when you do that, it's going to say 24.49. So they're actually not even promoting that code. Just click. Once you click it, click confirm, and then choose your platform. I think you hit confirm again.
We have to indicate the size. You have to change the amount of accounts to 3.
Right. So after you pick your platform and you're going to click confirm again, then it's going to do all the billing information and stuff. And then you're going to be able to choose quantity. Once you get to 3, it's going to go to $11 a piece. And every one after that's going to be 11 a piece.
And that's for which account?
I just did the 50K. I don't know. Try a different one.
Yeah. It's the 50K. 50K. It's called Prime. It's the one with the activation fee.
Gotcha.
Let's try the 100K. See what it does. 100K, 36.89. Continue. Yeah, nah, it don't work. No,
Damn it.
Looks like 50K only. Let's try the 25K.
There might be something, let me take a look. There might be something for the higher accounts. I don't think the higher
25Ks, $18. Let's see what we get.
my kid goes for the higher accounts, the 150s and
No,
whatever. I always tell him it's ridiculous because you got to make so much more percentage wise compared to what they give you to lose.
Mm-hmm.
It just makes your job so much harder.
No, it's 50K only. It's weird because they didn't even they're not even promoting it. It's like a hidden deal. They just send us an email telling us about it. Yeah, so you pick your platform, you're going to click next. They do have more options too. You can raise your drawdown or something, I don't know. Just where you put in your billing information, change the 1 to a 3 or higher, and it brings them down to $11 a piece.
All right, I got it.
Which platform do you get? The volumetrica?
Yeah, that is the one that's Volisys.
Yeah, Valsys,
Yeah.
Volumetrica. I use the web one. It'll be right in your dashboard when you log in.
Cool. I got 3 of them.
Does look like an interesting platform.
I like it. Honestly, I like it. For me, the worst one is Wealth Charts. Although they said it's a fantastic platform. No, for me, that's the worst platform. I can't stand clicking the button and waiting a second and a half to see what I clicked appear on the screen. Even the quantity, just change the quantity and you got to wait a second and a half for it to go through. Just in your quantity button, in your quantity input field. It's crazy. Everything. And it's not just one computer. I put it on multiple computers. That's the way it works on all of them. That is frustrating. It's like you're always in the darkest, especially when I'm in my trades usually for 7 seconds. I can't afford half of my trade to not even know what size, if the order got filled. Yeah. Okay. Oh, he said he got the 3 already. I was going to say, yeah, the end of day drawdown add-on is 50% off. So it's $9 if you want end of day drawdown. That's a pretty good thing too. Really is.
See a comment from K50. I didn't even show up on the other thing. Weird how sometimes you see comments, sometimes you don't.
Hey, Bama, let me know if you use the trade copier. There's a trade copier with the Volumetrica web.
Yeah.
And I'm curious to see if it's a trade copier or a trade result copier, because I only have one account. I'd be really curious to see if it's a trade result copier, because that's where everyone seems to be going now. It just copies the result. It doesn't copy the trades. That's so much better. You don't have to stress at all about going out of sync.
That's not a prop firm platform.
No, neither is Project X.
I thought it was.
No, Project X is like it's a company. 20 firms I think are with him now. If you click on the login button, Project X login, you'll see all the firms that use it.
Mm-hmm. Remember there were a while back they was talking about the prop firms communicating together and everything.
Yeah,
and Apex was like, hell no, we ain't doing that.
Yeah, because they're not part of Project X, so they had to come up with something. Who knows?
In my opinion, that's Project X.
Yeah, no, it is. It is the one. That is Project X. No, it was Top Step that was saying it. It was Top Step that was trying to push that. A self-governing regulatory agency. But yeah, with the Project X people, because I'm sure it's all related. I think people were saying that allegedly as a part of the company. Who knows? But regardless, well, look at this. We're blasting off, eh? We're at the pivot point right now.
I remember Apex was saying that they were like half the business. Why do they want to work with everybody else? Like, we're half the prop business. Why do we want to work with them?
But I like Project X. I'm a big believer in Project X. But you know what? It's probably like what we're hearing with Trade of 8 Prop, Ninja Prop. Project X is a platform I don't think you can get and use separately. You have to get it, I think, with the prop firm. You know what I mean? Like Ninja Trader, Quant Tower.
You got a ghost behind you.
You can use it separately. Yeah.
Oh, man, you could have scared them.
You could have. What's up?
You busy?
Oh, I don't know. Depends on what you mean.
No, so short. The two kitties are
That's funny.
cuddling together right outside our window.
Bam, after you use that platform for a while, let us know how you like it. So,
give me a sec.
Get more opinions on that platform.
I like the way it looks so far.
Yeah, looks interesting. Reminds me of Quant Tower. Maybe it's better.
I don't see how to delete a limit.
Like you're placing it on the chart, but how do you get rid of it?
Yeah. They won't let me exit it. Unless... I mean, I could have watched the video, but...
Yeah, right. That was like me there. Drives my wife crazy. She's like, I did come with a video. I'm like, what? So? For what?
We'll just put it way down here for now.
It don't have an X like all the other ones? That's weird.
Okay, now I see it.
With chip, I'm out. Exit was 253. Take it you were long. I don't know. I haven't been much in the mood to trade today. 100 points. Damn. Get it? I like to see it. And just like I said, right back up to the 25,400. I knew by the time this afternoon came, would spike back up. All I wanted to do was buy some more stocks. Damn, Bama, you got that and set it up super fast, didn't you? Anybody think we can get a big crash in the next hour or so? Not likely, huh? No, just to the moon. One day I'm gonna learn how to set limit orders on the stocks I want. You figure out the footprint yet, Bama?
I have not.
Figured that was the first place you was going. Give me the footprint.
Yeah, I just wanted to see some of the basic stuff on it.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna find the footprint this weekend.
To go on YouTube and watch some videos about that platform.
Which one?
Volumetrica.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I found one video on it and I watched like half of it. He was showing some basic stuff on it.
The funny thing in that presentation for the deep charts, they didn't even really talk about the charts much.
Mm.
You invite everybody here to tell them about a platform and barely even talk about it.
Yeah, they invited everybody there to sell them some shit.
Yeah. For $1,000 a year.
Yeah.
That was crazy.
Was it really $1,000 on that webinar? It wasn't discounted?
Oh, that was a discount.
No, that was discount.
No kidding.
It was like $800 for 6 months or $1,000 for a year.
No kidding.
The guy was saying that a fair price was around like 5,000 or 6,000 or something.
Easily 100,000.
Yeah, easily.
Yeah. Easily. A no-brainer. You don't even have to think about it.
Then like they didn't even know a lot of questions. The guy's like, we'll have to get back to you on that. I don't know. Then he kept getting mad because people kept asking about the 15-minute delay. I feel like he could have explained it a little bit better.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, there's a 15-minute delay because I'm taking the feed from a prop firm and it's a demo account.
Well, it's just like Ninja Trader and TradingView, I think also. You can get 15-minute delay.
15-minute delays, yeah. If you don't have an account,
they're not really giving it to you. It's free.
Yeah. So that's what it was. It was just like the basic account, demo account without a subscription to data.
Right.
You would figure he would have splurged for the subscription to data, at least level 1 for $15 for his presentation. Teach his own.
He's like, well, we didn't want you to have to spend more money for the data while you're learning. Like, you just charge $1,000. You want to spend more money?
Mm.
I understood it, but I think a lot of the new people didn't understand it.
There's nothing to understand from that. Seriously, if you're going to spend $1,000 on a platform,
No.
and then
I mean the 15-minute delay.
Oh, and then you're not going to spend money for the data, your platform's useless.
Yeah, I think he was explaining it wrong, and he kept getting mad because people kept asking.
I mean, the level 2 CME is not very expensive. $40 a month.
Yeah, EBOP, OBOP.
Yeah. Bop. Shoo bop.
Bop. Bammy, you broke up again.
Oh, sorry.
I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing at Mike laughing at you. Mike, quit laughing at him.
I'm not laughing at him. I'm laughing at how he's sounding, which is kind of like laughing at him, but in a roundabout way.
I
Damn.
only opened it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just keep saying yeah.
Yeah.
The funny part is like it don't just cut out. It like sounds like that Martian guy. Might look at the Martian guy.
Living sticks.
I think it's Marvin the Martian. Marvin. Let's see if it's how I remember it. Nope, I was wrong. Don't sound like that at all.
Rayman.
Yeah.
There was one little alien though. I don't know who it was, but there was one little alien that sounded like that from one of the cartoons. Like I'm saying, either
Could go with Charlie Brown's teacher. Kind of sounds like that. Let's try that one.
That is true. What? $353 target. It'd be good if it gets there in 1 minute from now. The 11:30. Did the 11:30? Oh, we're at 11:40 already.
Yeah, they got music on there. I can't play it. Cool, dude. Hello again. Good to see you. Who is more fitness freak? I think Mike.
I
Don't you?
exercised today.
Yeah, don't you bend down and touch your toes like 10 times every morning or something?
No, I exercised today. I did 20 minutes on the elliptical and I did some stretching.
Well, good job.
My family gave it to me last night.
Maybe Bama. Bama, you're a fitness freak, ain't you? I don't know what that said, so we'll just say yes.
We'll go with yes. Let's go to DeepSeek. What was the name of the alien? I can't remember on the Flintstones. I can't believe I can't remember. The Great Gazoo. That's it. Tiny green alien. He floated around in a bubble.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he often referred to Fred and Barney as dum-dums. He was one of the most memorable characters. Yeah, the Great
what's the
Gazoo.
name? How you spell it?
The Great Gazoo. Gazoo.
The Great Gazoo.
Gazoo.
Z.
I had to remember. I couldn't go without remembering.
G-A what?
Gazoo.
Let's check it out. Oh. Commercial.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah, he sounds weird, but I don't really sound like that either. Recently got David Googlin's fever. I wake up at 4 a.m. Yeah. I generally wake up about 2 or 3 and then try to go back to sleep for a few hours and then fall back asleep for a few hours after a few hours and then, yeah. run on the street. Hopefully won't get hit by someone at 4 a.m. Damn. I, however, am not allowed to run anymore.
Well, no,
So I can't.
that's why I do the elliptical. It's this kind of motion, you know. It's not a running. It's low impact. I love it. I put on what they call a virtual run, where runners go to these nice sceneries with the camera on their head. I put it on the big screen TV. I put the volume up. I can hear their feet tapping on the gravel. I can almost imagine I'm there.
I do, however, have a reflex ball over that way. Weights over that way. So I'll do my weights and I'll beat the shit out of a reflex ball.
Okay, if we're competing, I got a gripper on my desk. Anybody else?
Just because it elevates the mood. Yeah. I mean, I like running. I can't do it no more.
Yeah, I used to run too.
If I start running, like something happens to my foot and it'll like go numb and I won't be able to walk for like a week or two. So if y'all see me showing up with crutches, it's probably because me and the kid were racing for 5 seconds. It's literally that fast, yeah. Then my wife gets super mad. She's like, you know better. You know better. You know better. Like, what can you do? You got kids. Every now and then you just got to push one over and take off running. It's like every father's got to do that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's every kid's dream to be faster than their dad and to be taller than their dad.
Yep. My kids got to work hard because I cheat. He was racing one time. It's like, Dad, I bet I can beat you. I'm like, you can't beat me. You know you can't beat me. Like, I bet you can. I bet you I can. I was like, all right, let's race then. So we go to race. We get ready. We got our spot we're racing to. I'm like, all right, you count. He's like, all right, on 3. I'm like, okay. He's like, 1, 2. So I pushed him over and ran. He's like, you cheated. You cheated. I'm like, I didn't cheat. I never heard any rule that said don't push your opponent over.
That's it. We didn't establish any rules.
Like, that was not in the rules. I did not cheat. Try something else, maybe push-ups, pull-ups. You got it? Oh, yeah, cool, dude. I do, like I said, I got weights right over there. I do my weights in the morning.
I'm just curious why he's bringing it up. Does it look like we need exercise? Is it that obvious? Is it my extra large sweater? It's okay, guys. You can make fun of me. I love it. I love it.
Some people just like working out. They want to know if other people work out.
Yeah, yeah.
Dad was fit in his 30s. Now he's barely athletic. Well, I mean, there's not really a lot of people that's that athletic in their 40s and 50s and 60s.
Mm-hmm.
Except for that one guy, the Kennedy guy. Like, you see that video where he was like doing
yeah.
pull-ups and like spinning around, and like they're like, the Democrats are like, he's not even in shape.
Yeah.
Right? And they just got they just had their health secretary or whatever, that one, whatever it was. And they're like telling him that he's not even in shape, and he's up there, he's like 70 years old, doing all that stuff. I'm like, that's freaking unbelievable right there. Dad's like, I gotta die anyways. Why not enjoy KFC? Cool, dude. My dad had all kinds of doctors that didn't want him to do anything. And it basically told them all that they could go kick it. And he outlived all their predictions. Eating KFC and drinking soda, a lot of soda, a lot of ice cream. He wasn't even supposed to have salt. Doctor's like, no, you cannot eat ice cream. He said, I'm gonna eat ice cream every day of my life. Doctor's like, okay, well, maybe a tablespoon. It's like, a tablespoon? I mean like half a tub of ice cream. Doctor's like, you mean like a week or a month, right? He's like, no, a day. I'm gonna have my sodas, I'm gonna have my ice cream. I'm gonna do all that. Doctor's like, well, it's your death, whatever. Not only did he live to an old age, he was running around and he got around better than I did. Dude, you need to slow down.
I mean, there are general
fridge
guidelines.
Currently have 8 liters of soda. Yeah, I don't really drink soda that much anymore.
Me neither.
That's something I'm glad I kind of got away from.
Yeah. No, I was cooking supper yesterday, and while it was on the stove, I told my son, watch it. If I'm not back in 30 minutes, he goes, where you going? And my wife screams out from upstairs, to get his liquid fix. We were out of soda. I couldn't go. I had to get... Hey, I've given up a lot of stuff, but I don't want to give up the soda. It's diet anyways, which they also say is bad, but...
Yeah. Now, my dad didn't even drink diet. He drank regular soda, Coca-Cola, all day long.
I'm drinking more water, though, also. I gotten into the water, so it's a trade-off.
Yeah, we had to force my dad to drink water.
I had to force myself to in the beginning.
He's like, I'm not giving up my soda. I'm like, Dad, don't give up. If you don't want to give up your soda, don't give up your soda. But you could at least drink some water with it, you know?
Yep.
So he would drink water, but I mean, we'd have to force him because he had kidney problems and stuff also. So we'd have to force him to like drink enough to matter. But he was very active all the way up into his 90s. He was, he did not like sitting down. He did not like not doing something.
I don't know about you. I don't know about you guys, but I sit in this chair 12 hours a day.
My dad was like 92 out there with a push mower mowing an acre of land. Like, dude, you got to calm down. It's freaking 105 degrees out here. Go take a break. I told him, I said, Dad, they don't make them like they used to. He's like, what? I'm like, people. We weren't built like y'all were. Like the minimalist lifestyle, the fewer things you own, the fewer things you worry about. I agree with that. That's why I like it simple. Yeah, I think the key is to kind of limit things like soda and stuff, but I think what's more important that so many people miss is that you kind of got to stay active, which is hard for me, but I don't know. I try. What can you do?
But I like what he said. The fewer things you own, the fewer things to worry about. We all have way too much stuff. A good long again. Right here, or you got in a good, you got a good long? Lower down. Maybe 25, 175, 180, maybe somewhere around there. Got back in at 196. Wow. That's a good amount of points.
Cool,
Yeah, I remember.
What other kind of workouts you do? You like lift weights or any kind of boxing stuff? I have heard them say that sitting in front of a computer all day is worse than smoking.
You guys are in the right place at the right time because this week's live stream and Prop Drop 500 Beta is
But
proudly
I go out
sponsored
for
by
walks.
Skeletor's
Go walk to
Chocolate
the bus
Salty
stop,
Balls,
get the kids,
the official snack of blown
do the
accounts
weights.
everywhere. These chocolate salty balls are
Coding and
hand-rolled,
boxing is the only thing I
high-risk
do.
snacks for traders who like it dark. Dipped in premium cocoa and perfectly seasoned with the salt of your tears,
I gotta
Skeletor's
learn the
chocolate
boxing because I
salty
can't
balls
run.
are best enjoyed after you get
Somebody's trying to
stopped
beat
out.
me up at the grocery
So
store or
pop one in
something.
your
I gotta be able
mouth
to knock
and
them out.
remember, the market may take your money, but it can't take your balls.
I'm
I
looking
can't
for
run,
an
so either
entry.
I win or they win.
Another workflow.
There you go.
Understand.
It's rigged wood chip. It's rigged.
Hey, I have a new one, wood chip. Hold on. Let me bring it up. Let me take a break.
Bama, we heard you talking, but it was wasn't coming through.
I'm not gonna hook it up.
Cool, dude. I don't really worry about people having guns. I mean, I live in Florida. A lot of people have guns. They're pretty much everywhere. Generally, somebody with a gun's not trying to attack you. It's generally the people that don't have a gun.
There you go, wood chip. It's a new beat the dealer. Now it's not fixed. Eventually it'll be set up where you guys can type in, but just you tell me what tile to pick. Hold on, let's get it. Let's get it there. Stretch it out a bit. Pick a tile, any tile. Beat your algo, wood chip, dealer 98.
Oh, you had it working.
No, this is beat the dealer too, where you type in
Okay.
deal me in, show ICT. Do I have ICT? Okay, this is Omnius. Omnius 85, dealer 11. You see? Wood chip, pick the gap tile. Hold on, we got to reset it. I don't even have a reset button yet. It's got to.
Yeah, cool, dude. I try to avoid trouble.
There's no gap button on this one. Pick another one.
I try to avoid trouble, but I got kids also. If somebody's gonna mess with my kids or my family, they're gonna have trouble.
Yeah, wood chip. There's no gap on the. It's one player at a time. You got to pick another tile. Sparky. Not yet automated where you can type it in. Takes up too much space. I got to make it just small on the top, a little banner.
Cool, dude. You from the States? I think you said you was from the U.S., right? I feel like I tend to assume people are from the States, but we get people from all over the world.
84. Hey, see? Isn't it better when you pick your own numbers? 59. You winner. Ding, 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 ding. $49. We got to trade at 49. I'll get in a few points better if I can. 46, 3 points
Yes,
better.
term stay dangerous. Stayed with me from high school. Yeah. I am from the States. Okay.
What are we targeting here? 56.
Yeah, we get some people from Korea. One guy from South Africa. Canada. Mike's from Canada, actually.
Yeah, another winner. See? Better game.
It's still rigged.
No. Yeah, it's rigged. I coded it so the player never loses. Come on, let's get up to 56. How about 55? I'll take 55. 43 to 55, 12 points. Long. I picked breakout. Long. Come on, don't go down. 15. I think you won again. Cool, dude. This is Beat the Dealer game, version 2. I don't know if you used to play version 1. You can still play version 1 in the chat. You just type in deal me in. You just go deal me in, and you get to play the dealer. But it's all automatic. You don't get to pick anything. See, it just runs. Dealer draws 88. I drew 5, I lose. So now I made one where you actually get to pick your tile. Oh, come on. You're going against me again. It's just one of those damn days, eh?
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled. I heard it. Order filled.
I got to get out. Cool, dude. Deal me in. There you go. Dealer draws 75. 80. You pull off a win. You have 1,328 chips.
Beginner's luck.
Don't forget you can spend them in the Futures Floor online store that's closed due to bankruptcy. Eventually we'll have something going. But Beat the Dealer's better. Beat the Dealer too. You get to pick your chip. Cool, dude. 19. Look at that. Another winner. Wah, wah, wah.
Mike, what's for lunch?
Chip? Picks exit. I don't know. For me, cottage cheese. Wow, what chip? And cool, dude. Both of you are really crushing it.
Cottage cheese again?
Oh, yeah. Cottage cheese now every day. Protein. I need more protein.
Maybe I'll ask the girl. I feel like she'll say pizza.
I do like butter chicken. It's not called Panner over here, though. Here it's called Michael. What's his name? Michael Patak. It's Patak. Okay. Oh, okay. So you're saying Panner butter masala.
Michael Patak, isn't that the guy from Top Step?
Yeah. But there's a Patak. There's a company called Patak. They were talking about it on the show. Even there's a Patak butter chicken sauce. Well, they sell a whole bunch of sauces. The masala sauce. They sell all the sauces. But yeah, they were talking about this thing. Any relation? No. 81, 80. Cool. Patel. Is it Patel? It's not Patak? No, I think it's Patak. Patak. Google it. Let me Google it. Might take away the screen.
All right, I'll be back in a second.
Yeah, it's taken away. So give me just a second. The Indian Sauce Company. It's Patak. Patak, the sauce company. LG and Mina Patak. But they kept the H out of the name. Patel Brothers. That's a grocery store chain. So much better than order flow. Is there an order flow? 13. Watch you win this one too. 18. Close.
Hello, hello.
Hello. Now you get quicker response time.
What's happening?
And the pronounce it as Patak. Patak. Nothing. It is what you see. Trading, scalping. Not doing anything. I'm treading water.
Playing that 15-minute setup.
Mm.
That was my entry.
I don't have a 15-minute chart. I only got the 5 now. Okay, let's close Beat the Dealer. 15-minute. It gives wide stops. What's the stop on a day like today on a 15-minute chart? It's got to be, well, now we're only at 16 ATR, so it's a little tighter, but still it's got to be...
Oh, no, I was just using the 15-minute as the initial setup.
Okay.
I said earlier in the chat I was gonna wait and I didn't, and then I got roasted, and then it did exactly what I was waiting for, which was tap into that 15-minute fair value gap.
Isn't it crazy how the market does that to us?
Well, I didn't wait for what I said.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. Isn't it crazy how the market does that to us?
No, it's not the market. It's my own discipline.
The market taunts us. It's like you want to.
Every time I make a poor decision like that, it was like I just should have stuck to my plan. That's what exactly. I mean, you know? You break your plan and the market is ruthless. I do agree. Sometimes I believe we live in a simulation just because of what the market does. Like, there's no way. There's no way it just did what it just did. I mean, I don't mean right now, but so many times I catch myself saying that. But I also would say if I always stuck to my plan, it would be so much more rarer that I would be saying that. It's only when I just deviate from my plan that I find myself saying that a lot. Like taking a scalp counter to what my setups are showing me. So I'll call it a counter trend scalp, and it's like it just doesn't go. It doesn't go. It doesn't go. It doesn't. There's no way these can't be going. But yeah, they're not supposed to be going. They're going to be shallow. The runs are going to be in the direction of the current short-term trend that I'm tracking. But yet I get stubborn. I'm trying for that 1 in 5 trade where it's actually going to run a little bit lower.
Then the bad part is it gets you, and then you want to do it again and again and again.
And that's what I did today. That's why I said I've been up and down and up and down and up and down. I think I made my money in the first 15 minutes on this account. Yeah. And now it's been 2 hours of just going up and down and up and down, and they're probably looking at me down there if they're watching, and there's, what is he doing? Why doesn't he just stop? Because I'm not At my high water mark, it is a simulation. Imagine there's another
Bama,
solar
gotta go,
system that the
fellas.
galaxy
Have a good
people are very
weekend.
smart. We are someone's college
Bama, have a good
project.
weekend.
Yeah, cool, dude.
Appreciate
I can't
you for
tell
hanging
you how
out.
much I honestly think we're in a simulation. I talked to my daughter about that too. As crazy it is. Bama, have a good weekend. We'll see you next week, hopefully. Take care.
I don't know if we're gonna see him next week. He says he's starting a new job.
Yeah. I know. Thanks for hanging out.
We'll either see you in the Discord or something on the evening stream. Good luck at the new job.
We're really trading sideways here, eh? Since 11:15 though. 258. 200. But
Yeah, that's why I'm looking at the 15. This is gonna go now.
Who got a new job? Bama got a new job.
We're gonna go 100 points right now.
100 points up? No, I want to go
353.
down.
No, it's not going down. I don't
No,
think.
353.
No, I'm not saying
I
it's
think
going down. I want it to go down
Well,
because I want to buy more stocks, and I didn't get opportunity to this morning, and we went up freaking 600 points.
Yeah, I am amazed. That
700 points. No, I see somewhere around the 400 coming.
That would be the 353.
yeah, that's just the bottom. That's just the bottom of a daily fair value gap. It's pretty simple, kind of silly.
Did the same thing it did to me last Friday. Last Friday again. How ironic. Yeah, whatever.
Well, I could be wrong. It doesn't look like a daily fair value gap. What is it?
Mike, only I could be not happy about all my stocks going up.
Oh, it is.
That's a good problem to have. That's all I'm going to say.
I wanted more. That's the spot. I wanted to buy more. Can't really do it pre-market. I mean, I could, but it's difficult.
Yeah, cool, dude. There are some companies, I think, especially in Forex, I think they have to show the statistics on their website. And now it's starting to appear in the futures also. Top Step on the bottom of their page shows the statistics of how many people purchased accounts, how many people made it to the XFA, the combine, how many people went to live. And the numbers are astoundingly low. I know some people like to say 90%, 80%. Some people fail. So 10% succeed, 20%. I've seen even some people say 30%. It seems to be way less than 10%. Way less than 10%.
So it's about 80 to 90% that fail.
I'd say 90. It's 90. It's higher than 90. I'm sorry to say it's higher than 90.
You think it's higher than 90?
It's higher than 90.
I think it's lower than 90. I think it's somewhere in the 80s. But then I would also say that something like 85% of businesses fail.
Mm-hmm.
So does that mean you don't start a business? Because there's a lot of great businesses out there. And at the same time, in that statistic is a lot of people are going to try trading and they're going to quit a week later.
Mm-hmm.
So, okay, they're part of that 90%.
Yeah, well, it depends on how you define. See, we don't know what they define as fail. Does that mean you lost everything in your account? Does that mean...
Then you got some people that's just not cut out for trading at all. And they try it for a few weeks and give up. So they're part of that 90%.
I just added
84. Oh, great.
This should go now. 70 points higher.
And then most people refuse to have any kind of strategy. So I think that's the biggest problem. if you can't tell somebody your strategy, then you're kind of setting yourself up to lose.
What kind of accounts are you guys trading today? Size wise, are they 50Ks, 25?
Yeah,
Um,
50Ks.
I only do 50Ks, yeah.
I try to stick
Oh,
with the 50Ks.
yeah, that's what I'm doing.
I don't know how people keep up with all the different size accounts, different companies. You got all the different rules, different everything.
Yeah,
Yep.
Tradeify has almost no rules other than the 35% consistency rule, which is pretty good. 35 is way better than 20 or 30 that other props offer.
Mm.
Yeah.
I think
Have
Top
I-
Step is 50.
Haven't really looked in the Tradeify.
Yeah, me neither. I don't think I ever had an account with them.
I don't hear much
You
about
should-
them.
You should do one. I mean, they have an automatic journal that you get lots of data that you can cycle through, like how many trades you take that last a minute versus 5 minutes versus 10.
Okay. Well, a lot of the companies
what-
have that now.
What
Like my
time of
av-
day you have the
I
most
think my
trades,
average would be
all
under
that
a minute.
My average is under a minute. I was with MFFU. They had that. I was seriously under a minute.
Is it gonna come all the way back down now?
Over 90 million in
Trading.
verified payouts.
Trading has become so easy. So, yeah, so easy access. Everyone tries it out. Yep, exactly. And everyone sold the dream that it's easy. You just click a button. But there's so much more to it.
Yep, and it's fun when you're right.
Mm.
You get that dopamine hit.
Choose account, lightning, growth, or advanced. I don't know what any of that means.
Go with growth. Go with lightning growth.
Oh
Oh,
no,
wow, there-
lightning is instant funded, I think. It's very expensive.
Yeah, I was about to say it's like $400.
Well,
Yeah.
it's not competitively priced.
Maybe there's a reason I ain't never tried them.
But until Apex has dropped to $40 activation, which they're still holding.
No, are they really? I thought it ended on Wednesday.
No, it's still active because I activated a funded on Friday.
No
And
kidding.
oh, wait a second. That was last week. Oh, maybe it ended. I don't know. They said it was going to end and then they extended it.
Yeah, well, my son activated some accounts on Wednesday at $40.
Yeah, it's a pretty sweet deal.
Yeah.
So then,
I think he did 5, so he said he saved himself like $500 almost.
yeah. So with Tradeify, you can do is it the growth or the growth advanced?
It looks
I don't know.
like the advanced you can get for $48 a month.
Oh, okay. That's the entry level. But if you're pretty sure you're going to pass the account, it includes activation. So it's only,
No, not this one.
I think it's like $95 or less.
I don't
I'm
see one
starting
that
to
says
see
that.
some. I'm starting to see some really good deals on accounts
Okay.
that include the
Right.
activation that are like under $100.
Yeah, you're talking about the growth account then. Yeah. So 97 a month, that includes activation.
Yep.
Well, that's not bad if you think you can jump in there and pass it. But you only get $1,200 a drawdown. Or no, daily
that's
drawdown.
Really?
No,
No, that's
like
a daily. It's
what
got
is it?
it's a daily.
$12.50?
I read that wrong. Yeah, that's daily drawdown.
Yeah, $12.50.
You do get a trailing drawdown of 2,000. Okay, I read that wrong. Sorry about that.
Yeah, it's less than what Apex gives you, but
Well, this says end of day. So if it's end of day, I mean, that's worth it.
that's the better part of it. Yeah, you don't get the intraday. Like if you have a trade go up and go against you,
That's actually not
doesn't-
bad.
it's
You get
not
the end
bad
of
at all.
day, and if you pass, no activation fee for $97. That's not bad at all.
Yeah.
The Alpha Trader 8, Ninja Trader Prop, Project X.
I think I've done, I've done like, I think I've done 5 or 4, and I have 2 funded with Tradeify. I think I might have done 5 in the last like 6 months. But once you get
did 5?
above, you know,
You say you
once you
did
get
5 and
above,
passed 4?
no, I passed, well, I passed 3 and I failed one of them already, so I only have 2. But it was across 6 months, so it's not bad. Because once you get above 500, then you basically have an Apex account with $2,500 drawdown. So, because there's no trailing drawdown, it's end of day. So as long as each day you're consistent, then you're fine. You could be down like $600 and get it back to break even, and they count it as 0, like you're at 0 balance or whatever. It's pretty good. Way better than Apex, in my opinion. But I still have Apex, just one funded.
Well, I love Apex. You know, I always say it, but they are becoming a little uncompetitive lately compared to what the offers that are coming out.
Well, dropping to $40 for activation.
That was, yeah, finally, yeah.
Was a really good move for them. They used to do like 105 monthly or 85 or something.
85, 85. Even 85 is good though.
So Tradeify says
you're paying 35, so you're in at 120.
Tradeify says 4 payout and then move it to live.
Whatever it is.
So whatever, I guess whatever payout you get, and you get 4 payouts, and then you move to live.
Yeah, they're all doing that.
Yeah.
They're all doing that now, between 3 and 6. And then you go live and you make $1 million like Lanto or Santo.
Did he do it live?
Yeah.
Really?
Lanto and Jade Cap and Brian Stonk and all the heavy hitters.
Futures floor.
Futures floor.
Don't laugh. Right. Or you can laugh only after I laugh first.
I don't know. I don't know what your history is, so.
It ain't $1 million.
It ain't $1 million.
It ain't bad, but it ain't $1 million.
Yeah.
Yeah, give me something to shoot for.
But you know,
can always dream.
A lot of those guys doing stuff like that, they've been trading 30, 40 years. Or they got mentors, good mentors. But I like to see it because, I mean, if they can do it, the rest of us can do it too.
Mm.
In theory, yes.
Everybody always hates on people like that. It's like, why are you hating? They're proving to you that you can do it.
This should flip. This should flip and go. Right at 12:30.
Oh my God, is it that late already?
We only need 8 minutes for the flip. It might start ahead of it though. Got the 15-minute handshake. That's what I call it.
Yeah, always like 5-10 minutes before, and same thing.
Yeah, but the 15-minute handshake is the fair value gap that breaks a previous high, which it did. It broke Thursday at 12:30.
Okay.
Here we are at 12:30, and closed above. It retraced in almost exactly 50%, and now it's been taking off. And this candle right now wicked down and hand shook with the one that also hit the 50%. That's a handshake. It's a good trade. I take it all the time.
You got the
Very high.
handshake trade?
Yeah, when the wick hits the other wick, and especially if the wick it's hitting, that candle on the 15-minute hit the 15-minute fair value gap perfect and rejected and went higher after we closed above the Thursday 12:30. Yeah, I take that all the time. And sometimes it's wrong. Could be wrong coming back.
Well, I mean, sometimes every strategy's wrong.
You just have to have your strategy that you can see all the time and then just keep doing it. And if it doesn't work, after months of trying it, then do something else, but don't switch all the time from different things that you might know about.
Exactly. I always say pick one you like, pick one you find interesting, and learn to make it work. Because if you like the strategy, you're going to put more effort into it. If it's like some people trade strategies they don't even like, and then they wonder why it don't work. It's like, well, why are you trading that strategy? Find one you like. They just have somebody told them that it's a great strategy, so they want to try to make that strategy work. Every strategy can work, and every strategy can't work. It all depends on the trader.
Well, no one likes a strategy that doesn't work immediately, and so they usually switch to a different strategy, which is kind of the problem, I think. I did it for years. So,
well, I mean, we all do it when we're new because we don't know different strategies. That's the only way. I always hate it when they tell new people, like, pick a strategy and stick to it. How do they know that's the one they like? I would say pick one, stick to it, but then have other ones that you kind of work on. How else would you know what you like?
yeah.
Does that work in marriage?
Yeah. That's called dating.
No,
Right?
he said marriage.
It is. Yeah, he said marriage. How would I know that I love you?
Well, most people don't go out and get married and then start dating. I mean, most people date at least for a little while. Then they know if they like the person and move from there.
Some rollover here.
Plus, you got to work on your strategy. So many people want a strategy, but they don't want to work with it. Get a strategy, back test it. Once you start getting an idea of how well it works and what conditions it works in and what conditions it don't, then you know your strategy better. Then when you lose, you're not as scared of losing.
Yeah.
I know that my strategy is not a very good range strategy. It's more of a trend following. When we get tight range days, I know to either size down or not to trade so much.
Gotta survive the next 3 minutes.
Next 3 minutes. What's the next 3 minutes?
Oh, it's the half hour changeover. Every half hour is typically something. You go and look back through any chart. It's either on the hour or the half hour that you get a reversal. I thought I had it set up, but I guess I don't. It's failing right now.
Ouch. Well, someone's eating a good lunch here, and it smells really good. It's making my stomach rumble.
Yeah, I'm hungry. Boy, you hungry too, ain't you?
Mm.
You gonna say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Scared me.
Where's Sparky when we need him?
Yeah. Sparky's meowing all day long now for cookies. He doesn't stop. Sparky's gone
Like-
cookie nuts. I feed him
like
way
the-
too much.
Consecutive meows were always
Yeah.
good long.
Oh, well, he's given a ton of them. You just don't hear him. He doesn't stop now.
Where's it over here? This here. Lost it. Broke it.
All right. We're okay. 1 minute.
Okay. What you gonna do? You gonna sing a
25
song?
seconds.
You not gonna sing a song?
Launchpad.
Yeah, hold it.
Hi. Hi.
Sing me a Christmas song
No.
by Burl
me only-
Ives.
Tell me you only sing K-pop.
Mm.
I was gonna
sing.
I was just gonna ask if.
She's a K-pop girl.
Yeah, so is my daughter.
See? What's your favorite
Try-
K-pop song?
I'm trying to remember what the words are that she keeps singing.
Something about up
Six-
for the moment.
6, 7.
Well, you're not telling me.
But I really know like 100.
Don't tell me I'm doing it wrong. Tell me how to do it right. God, everybody's a critic. Why are you singing?
Oh,
I'm
that's
singing
what
up.
that's
I'm
what it
hum-
is, or something like that. That's how. Shoot, I've almost remembered the lyric. Not this is how we do it. This is. What's the lyric? Come on.
What's the lyric? He's asking you. I don't know it.
That is. This is it, or that's. What is it?
That's the way. I like it.
No,
Guess
it's
that's
not
more-
that.
Or
This
my
is
generation.
this is how we do it, baby.
It's not that.
He's asking you. Tell him.
Oh,
Don't
this
be rude.
is what it sounds like. Is that it?
Ah, she's shaking her head. Yes.
Oh, I got it.
Hmm.
And this is what it sounds like.
Why are you not singing it? You gonna let him out sing you all day long? Sing, 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 sing. Get on the mic. Nothing.
This is what it sounds like.
Uh-huh.
It's very close. Yeah, it's very similar. That's why I couldn't think of it because I got a block in my brain.
So you want to
If
see?
you're not talking, then go. You talking or not? Oh, if you're not talking, then go. Go watch your TV. I'm gonna put you in a headlock and give you a noogie.
A noogie. Wow, I haven't heard that word since.
Remember that one time I slammed you over there
Since
and you hit
high
your head on
school.
the chair? Ow! Just beating me.
A noogie and a wedgie. There's 2 words for you.
Hold on. Hold on. Love you. I'll be there in a few minutes. What? You steal my toy? You freaking thief. Is that wood chip singing?
Maybe.
Getting it, isn't he?
Yeah, I had to turn it off. I'm so curious if they're gonna pick that up. It was so quiet in the background.
I forgot about that. Sorry.
No problem. Doesn't matter. You just clip, cut out, or what's the word they dub it out or something?
Yeah.
I didn't think it was going to pick up, and
I thought it was you saying that first. I was like, is that
Yeah,
what you're
I did too.
I was like, man, he's getting it.
Didn't
didn't get me yet. It wants to though. 220
Mike,
stop.
how long you hanging out for?
I don't know. My wife has been messaging me like pretty enthusiastically.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing? You hiding from her?
No. She just wants to see when I'm coming up, and I guess she cooked something for lunch. That's what I'm smelling. So I guess she wants to know if I want to eat.
Oh man, tell her I want some too.
I don't know what you can do with cottage cheese, but maybe she made something really good.
Some chicken curry, maybe.
Yeah, maybe we should call it
I do got that chicken pie my grandma brought me yesterday.
Okay, survived. This should go now. Let's go. Or it doesn't.
To the moon?
I wanted to see 353, but
yeah. I think last Friday. This area we pushed up to. No, we already passed last Friday. Last Friday stopped at 233. And then Monday had this huge gap. Or Sunday. Sunday had a huge gap. We're actually back to that gap now. You see that? Something like that. So we're actually in that daily gap from last week. Might just bounce around this area.
Yeah, looks like what it's doing.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
We call it quits.
Yeah, I'm ready. Need some food.
Okay.
Plus my daughter's home, so
yeah.
Go slam her on the couch a couple times. Go body slam. Y'all like the body slam method or like the spin slam?
Do the spin slam. Get him dizzy first.
She don't get dizzy.
Oh, no?
I get dizzy. She don't get dizzy. I had this girl in a swing. I had her in a swing last weekend. One of the ones that hang from a tree, the round swings.
Yeah.
I got her like flying all over the place, spinning around 1,000 miles per hour. Again. God, we did it nonstop for like 20 minutes.
But then did she walk?
Yeah, just fine.
Did you get her off the swing and see if she walked straight?
Just fine.
I
don't think she gets dizzy.
Yeah, that's funny. My daughter hasn't gotten dizzy either.
I don't think kids get dizzy like adults do.
Yeah, it's the hair in our ears.
This should be it. You guys always close stream right when the move happens.
I blame Mike.
Not always, because I'm never watching. I'm hardly watching anymore because I'm working, but it's a Friday, so I'm here. I'm here for you guys.
You got work?
Yeah.
You got work now?
Yeah, this should do it right here. You got a good 15-minute move.
At full port long?
I would, if you have an eval. Yeah, for sure.
I think I
It's
blew
a 40 point stop.
Let's try it.
Oof.
Delta looks nice.
Hey, let's pull
there you go. Taking it for the 10 points.
Good job. I didn't jump in.
Hey, full port is not taking it for 10 points. It's holding it and
I can't hold
it go.
Wood chip, you ain't learned by now. I can't hold for shit. I'm not a holder.
You're a folder.
Hmm.
There's holders and folders.
Holders and fold. I'm a folder.
It's not bad taking profit. No one ever lost taking profit.
Wow, Bullinock's still 75%, eh? They're hanging tough.
Yeah, I just looked at that a little bit ago. That's weird. They don't want to give us a deal.
Mm.
Especially with all the other great deals out there. So many great deals right now.
Yeah,
How
I'm
much
really
is how much
surprised.
is Bull Knox?
It's like 73% off. It's
75, yeah.
yeah, they could do better than that.
$75?
No,
No,
75
percent
off. So what's that?
So what does it
Probably 15, 30, probably $37.
That's not bad. And then what's the activation?
Usually, what
145?
is it? Is it 130, 140,
It's like
145?
145 or something like that.
Really?
Wow, that's more than Apex.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
they're
mean,
just
more
they're
than
just-
Tradeify if you just do the
they're just
growth
a quiet
account.
little firm that sits in the background, doesn't make you splash, doesn't make any noise. They just run their business. And
I mean, they give discounts all the time, so can't really complain, but it's just right now, I don't think they'd be the better option. Especially you got day traders, they still got that $37. You only pay one time.
one time, yeah, that's pretty good.
And then the activation's $130. So you can buy an account for $37, and then if it takes you 5 months to pass, you only paid $37, and then you paid a $130 activation. I think that's probably one of the better deals right now. I guess the Apex y'all were saying was really good. Who else? That Tradeify deal sounded pretty good. The the Taurus deal, you can't beat that one right now.
Yeah, it's a good deal. Also.
You buy 3 accounts, you get them $11 a piece. I don't know what the activation is.
119.
119. So you can't beat that.
Yeah, you really
Wait.
can't. I'm not a fan of Take Profit Trader with their, oh, it's only $89, no activation. Yeah, but, 90% of people are past failing the eval. That's not a good deal. You got to run the math on that. You got to figure out what your average is.
Yeah, but the Taurus, $11, and then you pass 119, so all in 129.
Well, that's it. You want to pay up front as little as possible. You don't want to pay a lot up front.
And you can get 3 of them, $11 a piece. So, if you blow 2, you're still in cheaper than most of the other companies.
Mm.
I'm out of the long.
Yeah, you are right, eh? Blow 2, pass 1.
And you can get more than 3. Hell, get 5 of them, $55. You can full pour it all day long. $55.
What was your full port trade? Did you go max size or?
Me? I didn't full pour today.
Oh,
I
I
was just
thought you
joking.
just did. Oh.
No, I was just joking. No, I took what I take either 4 or 5 contracts. MNQ.
NQ? Mini?
No, MNQ.
Oh, okay.
No. I don't like trading all that size. I like to keep my stuff as consistent as possible.
Me too.
Yeah, I just do 1 and 2 micros.
I said me too. I'm looking at the screen to see if Omnius starts laughing.
Yeah, I did 4 contracts.
I don't know if you heard me.
About the Me Too movement?
No. When I said me too, you said you like to keep things consistent with the sizing, and I said me too. Then I'm looking to see if you start laughing.
I don't understand.
Well, I'm not consistent with my sizing. That's why I can't say me too to that.
I don't know what size you trade.
I don't see it on the screen.
I talk to you all day long, but the screen's over there, but I barely look at it.
He likes 20.
I see 10 now.
20
I should be doing what should I be doing? I should be doing 2s and 3s.
No, I like mine consistent because then I know, like, hey, I took 1 loss or 2 losses, you know, where am I at? Because I also don't even look at, like, the money value. I got everything in points.
And
then, like, I just kind of guess, like, where I'm at on the day. Then every now and then I'll flip over, look at, like, where it's at. I don't like watching a trade and seeing it's up or down $100, $200, $300. Just tell me in points. I think that's why so many people get so emotional about trades. Look at a trade. Oh man, I'm down $500. Well,
yeah, that's an idea. You know what? Maybe I should try that next week. Trade a consistent size and only look at the points. And see what that does for me. I did that once.
Man,
I liked it.
I like it. I've traded like that for a long time now.
I
mean, if I take a couple losses, then I look at it, say, oh, I'm down $400. Maybe I should quit for the day. Other than that, why even look at it? Sometimes I take a couple wins in a row and I look at it like, damn, I'm up $600 on the day. I got to quit.
Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, if you have a 50K, you want like 250 a day.
Yeah.
Would be optimal.
250 a day on a 50K. That's great.
Yeah, that's optimal.
I mean, it's not that hard to get. I mean, it's really a couple trades, 10, 20 points at a time. And you'll be surprised, like, damn, already $300. Doesn't take that much. Also, I like that I can take a loser or 2 in a row, and then 1 or 2 trades, I'm right back in the green. I guess I kind of lied, though. I'm not really that consistent because I do size down. I generally don't size up. I will size down. So, like, if I'm up quite a bit on the day or something, I might size down. Or if the volatility is really high, I might size down. Or if I'm taking a trade that I don't normally take, I'll size down. If that makes sense. Like sometimes I'll take a reversal trade and I'll say, you know what, I'm gonna take it, but I'm gonna size down. Go 1 lot.
Yeah, for risk management, I usually cut the trade in half if I have a loser. So if I was at 2, then now I'm at 1 until I make at least half of the loss back.
Yeah. Things like that just keep you in the game longer. Give you that opportunity to make it back.
This is dumping, I guess.
Let's go
Mike, you
down
fading
to
wood chip?
12. I don't know. Is he long? I don't think he's long.
No, not. I gave back a good amount. I was up It was up 340 and now I'm only up 140, 135. Not good. And that's with small size.
Yeah, because the volatility is so high.
Yep. Each day is different. So today was like a 1 micro day, but I pushed it a little to 2 and succeeded, but then I kept it at 2 and gave back.
No, are you just trading one account or do you copy trade also?
I don't copy trade. So I had 2 other accounts this morning. One's at 253 for the day, and the other's at, I think, 197. And then the one I was currently trading, I didn't trade at all until late morning, and it's up 134. So I'm not in terrible shape. Didn't go red.
25,000.
Not bad for a Friday.
Yep.
And the
Always-
Apex accounts, I stopped trading the Apex because those have trailing drawdowns. So as soon as those were up 250 and 197, I was like, that's it. I'm not gonna mess with them. And then the Tradeify it has end of day trailing, and I'm up 134, so it doesn't hurt me by being up. Even though I was up more, right? I was up 300 more or something. You just have to remember what account you're trading.
Wow, look at this move.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Got under 200 pretty easily.
Yeah.
Their volume drop.
Minute.
Was
I
that
lower
new?
my large trade indicator yet?
15 minutes, super heavy. But this could just be a trap to go back up.
Could be.
We look
Maybe
like
if we
on the
break the
30
low
minute.
at 176, hold it.
Wow.
Maybe that'll confirm a little bit better.
Mm. Kind of fell off.
Yeah, we did break that low.
Well, if you look at the 5 minute or the 30 minute, you get a completely different perspective, especially the 5 minute. The 5 minute, it's strong. We're over the Globex Open. We're over not the session highs, but all the highs that we were able to make until the markets opened at 9:30. The Asia high, which was 154.
This push down's a bit strong also. Got a gap. We're breaking a previous gap. We broke the low, broke another low. So we're breaking a lot of structure on the 5 minute. Thing is, can it hold? I would look for a push up and then continuation down.
Well, we got down to 25,160, eh? Now we're back up to 25,200.
Let's try one more long.
Yeah, we do have a pretty big push up from that area.
Fairly low risk.
I think this was
But
the
it's
overnight.
1 micro, it's 50-point risk. My stop has to be down at 152.
I think this is the overnight high. Came down to the overnight high and pushed up.
Yeah. That's what it did.
Nice bullish engulfing candle.
apporter une nouvelle. Tu vas apporter un second pair of shoes, legit?
Mike, it's funny. You know how my other chart runs on a different time?
Yeah.
So every time today on the one chart, on the 2-minute chart, I get a bullish engulfing, but on the other 2-minute chart, I get a morning star. It's crazy to see how those two patterns.
That's another reason why I like the Renko charts, because you don't get that. It's consistent. You know, I always said, depending on what time frame you're looking at and depending on where you cut it, you know, you get a different pattern. Even though it's a minute bar, if you cut it on the half a minute or at the 50-second mark, it's a different pattern. So I said, you know what? Yeah, you can use them. Look, you can use everything to frame a trade, but you do get different patterns depending on where you cut the minute.
Just kind of shows you like how related the bullish engulfing and the morning star pattern are.
Yeah, I want to see us push down to 93.
Yep. Every time the one chart's gives, it's kind of a morning star. Some people would argue about it. Whatever. I just call them all the morning star. I never understood that 10 different names for patterns that are pretty much identical.
Well, consequent encroachment.
Yeah, right.
Everyone wants to rename their stuff. Make it their own. We have a pattern now. It's called the Great Gazoo.
The Great Gazoo.
The Great Gazoo. That was a little alien on the Flintstones. Do you remember him?
No.
It was because
I didn't remember him either until Mike said so. I had to look him up.
Bama was here and his voice was warbling because he was on his cell phone. We were just trying to figure out which alien he sounds like. The alien from Bugs Bunny, the alien from the Flintstones. But I couldn't remember the name.
Yeah, I was going with Marvin the Martian.
Marvin the Muffin.
Why do I remember that one, but I don't remember the other one? I used to watch the Flintstones all the time. That's weird.
There was that one wasn't on the tip of my tongue. It wasn't nothing.
Must be the Mandela effect.
Yeah, Gazoo. I remember they were calling him. They used to call him, and he used to form. He would appear. Do they even still have cartoons? I guess they do. They're probably shitty, not like the Flintstones.
I don't hear any kids talk about cartoons anymore. Everybody's on YouTube.
All the old cartoons are too violent for kids nowadays.
Yeah. To be honest, though, I try to get my kids to watch some of those old cartoons. Man, those fuckers were violent, weren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, the one guy walking around with the 2 guns shooting everybody. Nowadays, they can't even say gun in school. They'll get arrested.
I think you're talking about Yosemite Sam, right?
Yeah.
Bugs Bunny.
Or Wile E. Coyote.
That was a good laugh. Yeah, Wile E. Coyote, Roadrunner.
Or the cat and the mouse always getting beat up. The dog grabbing the cat and smashing his head in. Like, dang, Dad, these things are really violent. Like, oh shit, I guess they are. I didn't remember that. It was normal back in my day. Then again, we all had cap guns and BB guns and all kinds of stuff.
Yeah.
We seen the kids playing with a water gun the other day. It's like, whoa, put that down. Cop might drive by and shoot you.
No, it's a crazy world we live in now. I don't know if I said it before, but when I was growing up with my parents and I was preteen, 8, 9, 10 years old, we used to sleep with our door not unlocked, open. And it wasn't just us. Everyone on the block slept with their door open. Open! In the summer, obviously. You know, we didn't have air conditioning, and we thought nothing of it. Everybody. Doors were open, windows were open through the night. I think it's only later we realized what's going on in the world and said, well, maybe this isn't a good idea.
Hey, you got a
Oh, yeah.
screen door on your front door? or something?
No. We had a
What about
dog. It would
mosquitoes?
walk in and out. I don't know. Don't ask me. Ask my parents.
We had a while there where all the local kids were getting arrested for gun stuff. Like the sheriff was bragging about it. It's like, oh, I arrested this kid for terroristic threats at school. And then you find out the kid was like looking up how to say gun in Spanish.
Mm.
It's like you arrested a 8-year-old for terroristic threats because he was looking up how to say gun in Spanish. And you feel good about that? Or another one talking about Fortnite on the bus, talking about shooting his friend in Fortnite and getting arrested.
Yeah, it's already a little excessive.
I got to tell my son, like, son, these people are fucking crazy, okay? You got to be careful.
Okay. Another hourly changeover. Where are we going? Straight down?
Okay, my ass is falling asleep, guys.
Straight to hell.
My belly's rumbling.
That
That's gonna
too.
starve me to death.
I know what my wife made now. I can smell it. Pea soup. I'm going to stop here. I am at 80% of my high water mark. I think I should just be happy because I went all the way back down to 0 while we were chatting in the last hour. And I brought it back up again. You took a shit?
I said, could take a short.
Could take.
Yeah.
Good. You're going to make me take a short and I'm going to go down again.
I don't know if I want to.
You could. Well, you could take a short any time of the day. You could take a short now, too.
Could. It works or it don't.
Mm-hmm.
I like short.
Question is, does it go now or does it just bounce?
Only one way to find out. Take a short.
I think it wants to go for 25,074. The higher points.
Yeah. Order filled already? What a bitch. I was moving my take profit around and forgot to move it again. All right, I got 10 more points.
Nice H pattern on the 1 minute.
2 minute also. All right, I'm up nice across the board for the day. It's not a super big day, but it's a nice day.
Okay, let's call it here. What chip? Skeletor, if you're still around. Cool dude. Bama, I know you're gone. Wood chip. Omnius. Wood chip. Futures. Wood chip.
Wood chip. Futures. Skeletor. Wood chip. Futures. Bama, cool dude.
Go. End
Hope
it up.
everyone has a good weekend.
Yeah, you
Wood
guys
chip.
do.
Wood chip, do you not work at work?
No, I do.
He's like, I'm at work, but I'm trading. I'm at work, but I'm trading. That's awesome, man.
Greg, wood chip, deal me in. 36, 59. End on a good note. Don't play it again.
Did he win?
He did. Yeah.
Sweet. That's it right there. Call it.
Yeah,
Hit the credits.
call it.
Wood chip,
Okay,
have a good
guys.
weekend.
Take care, guys.
Mike, have a good weekend.
Yep, you too.
Yeah.
See you.
Later, guys. Where's my thing at? I lost the button. There you go. Later, guys.
Bye.